Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Somebody says she live on Primrose Terrace at Jamaica. What? All right. All right. It's just let me see how much I own it there. 161 I own it there, but okay, that's enough. At least it won't move so fast. Location roll call. Won't I watch from? Post up on I watch from. I could see what I go on. Location roll call. Post up on I watch from. I could see Alabama in the building. The UK, ATL, Orlando, London, Queens, New York, my place, Bronx, Cayman Island, Greenwich, London, Turks and Caicos, Atlanta, ATL, New York City, London, Delaware. Oh, by the way, I'll be in Atlanta this weekend for the One Love Reggae concert, okay? So Atlanta people, I did it this weekend, my MC the One Love Reggae concert. People, this Sunday in Atlanta, Sunday, June 15, which is Father's Day. It's all about the Father's Day. The One Love Father's Day concert and thing. It's a reggae concert at the Mabel House Amphitheater with yours truly, me, Ragashanti, Mr. Washbelly, the MC. And we are talking about Maxi Priest. I got to sing out a barrage and it hits after hits. And of course, the Messenger Luciano will be working also. And also the Queen, Etana, the strong one, will be there. And also Inner Circle, right? And they are doing complete sets. So you talk about professional, really entertaining performances from these seasoned entertainers from Jamaica, reggae entertainers. So ladies bring out to no father and thing, or bring out to no gentleman and all them thing there at Atlanta. And of course, the master of ceremonies would be yours truly, me, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti and things. So Atlanta, just look out for that this Sunday. I just forward and come and join yourself. Seeing Father's Day things, so bring on a brother, bring on a father and all, and a meal on an uncle and thing who always did a lookout for you and did a phone and all these things. You can bring them come to concert, you can the concert, you can go on with itself. You understand? Proper, good something. Real reggae music in our ears and real, people, seasoned stage entertainers. Everybody upon this. I see them work already and them, Lord God, Luciana don't even ask, Maxi Priest don't even ask. Them know if we work is stage, you see me? So I just forward and come and join yourself. And again, it's the One Love Father's Day concert in Atlanta. Specifically at the Mabel House Amphitheater. The Mabel House Amphitheater. Mabel House Amphitheater. No surprise there. It's in Mableton. Mableton, okay? All right. And again, this Sunday, June 15, yours truly, Ragashanti, will be up in Atlanta, being the master of ceremony for this show, all right? Just I make you know. Okay, back to location roll call now. Where una watch from? While we make the other people them come in. Where una watch from? Post back again, let me see what I go. I know what una do. Delaware, Montreal, Osios? How near so? Minnesota. Which part of Jamaica? Panama, Panama? Janet, Joy, Thomas. Janet, yeah. I think Janet me feel linking about that Panama link they want to make, Donkey Lane Trelawney, I lie. I know, it's my original crew that, what's she name there from Donkey Lane? What's she name again? So one of my listeners, them I go post it, man. What's she name from Donkey Lane, where you used to turn up a show back in the idea? Connecticut. Green Park, Trelawney, Bridgeport, Portmore, New Hampshire. Bibsy, big up yourself, you know, you have my auntie name, you know. Massachusetts. I must say that, Kimberly. What? Michigan in the place, Baltimore there, Virginia there, Denver there, Colorado, Red Stripe, Spanish Town Road, proper. You know, big up all that Red Stripe link them down at Spanish Town, you know, Polly in the building, them for no, dog. Big up all of the ANC crew, the whole ANC crew, all over there, Bronx there, Fort Lauderdale, Westmoreland, London, England, Lincoln in Manchester, New Jersey, St. Thomas, is that Arizona? Kierman, Harborview, Wisconsin, Brooklyn, Ocala. Why Ocala get developed now, you know, back in the day, up to about, what I say, about 8-10 years ago, people did move out to Miami and buy a house up in Ocala, and whole heap of land up there, me said, the whole heap of people move up there and build up house up there now. Big things are going on for Ocala, you know. I know so all them people who would buy for them house early or 2015, 10 years ago, them value gone up here now. 9 miles in Bull Beer, Rockfort in the building. Who are somebody there in Guyana? Smyrna in Atlanta. Alright, the people them in a place, Turks. Look like enough Jamaican they are Turks, you know, man. Portmore for sure. Central Village. Them a behave themselves up in a Central Village. Them start behave themselves because me I tell you that place it get wassy, you know, man. Alright, Mandeville. Sure say a whole heap of Jamaica they are Turks. Los Angeles by way of Mandeville and Maypen, see? Long Island, Antigua. Yeah, yes, say you the TamFamers, you're quite diverse, no? Big up on yourself, man. Trinidad in the place. We know where we come. Well, times are changed now, you know. Jamaican people, times are changed. And one time, it was a big deal, you know. If a woman can wash, cook, and clean, you know, she was judged almost like to not be. It's almost like she had not even. Hold on. Yeah, if a woman can wash, cook, and clean, she was judged. We said, boy, she not worthy for man, she not worthy for relationship, and some people say that, yo, you know, she workless and all them something. Jamaicans even have a thing where them say like, you know, and everybody answell rice. So, me remember when some young girls did a cook when we young, especially a country. And them a cook and whatever. I remember this girl here, them did a say like, she not gonna get no man. She not gonna get no man. And I say, why? Because I no swell rice. And for those of you who are not Jamaican, I don't know where it came from. I'm just telling you that this was a cultural thing. And a lot of Jamaicans believe that there's some people, not care how you tell, not care how them do the exact correct thing when them a cook. Not care how them do the right amount of seed. The food not gonna taste good because them and like now I said, them and no swell rice, them and just can't cook food good. And by the same token, Jamaicans believe that somebody else will do the exact same thing. Like you have 5 women who do the exact same thing, the exact same seasoning, but Michelle food are gonna taste better because the family or the community or the culture just believe in that something there. Say some people and cook food good. And it's not just about the seasoning or how much you did. It's almost as a supernatural thing, right? It's like a God-given thing. It's like an extraordinary gift given to you. Jamaicans believe that. They believe it in the positive and they believe it in the negative. You know, you have somebody in the family, no, make Patricia cook your food, it not go taste good. But no, the same seasoning, but when she cook your food, the food just not taste good. When Patricia cook your food, the food just don't taste good. Yo, come over, we are cooking, come over for your who are cooking food, and a Patricia cooking food, and make sure if a Patricia cooking food, me nah come. These are some of the language you hear from Jamaicans, all right? However, I would like to suggest to some of you Jamaicans out there, particularly the older ones, that you might want to move away from this thing, where you think, say, a woman don't deserve to get a good man because she's not a good cook or because she not have the gift for cook and things like that. Listen to me, there are a lot of relationships working out there now, man, where the younger generation, they have moved away from this thing and, they have happy unions when the woman baffan. It's what makes somebody happy, It's what makes somebody happy. So, to the man them, if you go mention to your mother or your auntie them or whatever, say, yeah, my girlfriend here, and thing, she nice girl, but she can't cook still, Yeah, she can't really cook and, she can't hand wash, for the machine things and, yeah, man, she just throw everything in her machine and thing and whatever, But I'm happy with her. If you have a male in your family or a son or whatever and a des of them there, be careful how you quick for run go judge the woman, man, and put her down and thing, all right? You have some really nice women out there, like some amazing women out there, just great partners and thing, and then can't cook. Then cannot cook. Well, yeah, you have them people up here. The running joke me did have is that one time me and this B I used to talk or whatever and thing like that and one time a little argument come up and my girl go ball up about and all that I do for you, what I do for you. So I just quietly said to her, say, because me know what me do for her. But me I say, what you do for me? What you do? So I think she go, the sort out thing. I think I did so she go, which would be really dumb with me, But I think I did so she go, Because in truth, girl got game. But I think I did so she go, only for you, my girl say, I cook for you. I cook for you so many times. I cook for you. You know how I miss lady call cook. When I hear that, who I listen a long time, when I hear that story already. Anytime there's two things she cook. Two things she cook. When she call cook. Right? One is boil the spaghetti. Just boil the spaghetti. How should you boil it? And I mean, I have to tell her, say, at the time, tip little salt tonight, no man, whatever, But at that time, I didn't talk. No, you salt for going on food. I'm not on that so much now. But she boil the spaghetti, right? And then she buy either ragu or prego. You know it in the big buckle, right? Ragu, she always buy either one year ragu. I know them have more, but she always buy the one when you either ragu and the one when you perigo. And then she just chew out the spaghetti and just run the ragu over it right out of the buckle. And said, here's your dinner. And at that she call cook for you, And that she I look like, much sacrifice make for you. Like how we would have say, yeah, I'm gonna go over fire, you know, much fire, you know, like woman was saying, you know, but every time I go over fire for that boy there and whatever, and you know, say what she talk about, a Jamaican type of cooking, because when Jamaicans are cooking, you know, it's normal for we, you know. Well, I am not a cook. Me can't cook good. But for Jamaica, when we know Jamaicans are cooking is a big deal. It's like a big production, right? You know, food after seasoning, this after season from before, and thing. Jamaicans are extra with cooking. Jamaicans are extra. Now, to Jamaicans, it's not extra. But to people outside, when them see what Jamaicans go through, you have other countries like that, but when them see what we go through when we are cook, we're extra. The chicken have to wash first. The chicken have to wash in the water with lime and vinegar and rub the you that thing so them a beer the chicken and a scrub the chicken the way of Jamaica. And them one whole hard eat pan the chicken first and thing like that. Then after the chicken come out now, you have to season the chicken. And the season will go on the chicken and just a little sprinkle and thing and whatever. Jamaican extra. Onion have it there. Right? Yeah, people who cook with scallion, them nobody cook with onion. Them cook with onion about Jamaican onion and scallion have in it. Right? Depending on where you cook tomato have in it. Yeah? Garlic have in it. Depending on where I cook pimento have in it. Right? Thyme have in it. Black pepper, salt, and then seasoned powder. And then some other little sprinkle and all and sitting there whatever and wait. One bag of something for your season up on all these things. Ginger. The man said ginger. Right? And then after that seasoning and whatever this and that and whatever. And in a mind shop that have to do from all the day before. And then, you know, kind of put on for make your seasoning so keen. Right? Jamaicans juke up all the chicken and juke up all the meat for the thing go down in it. Right? Rice and peas not just cook so. It have to cook with coconut milk. And the coconut milk have to have little scallion and thyme in it. And whatever. The peas have to boil first to a certain level and whatever. And then the right. Jamaican extra with them cooking and this woman they are going to tell them about, I cook for you. And you boil spaghetti and throw a prego or ragu upon it. The other thing when she love cook, I want sitting there turkey burger. I don't know good cookie turkey burger. Then, you buy the turkey ground, you know, so it's like ground beef, but she had this thing about turkey. So she would just go so and take out the turkey. You see how the beef or the ground beef comes, you don't take it out, you know. You see when my girl just do one. And make a little burger with a turkey something and go bop right in the aisle and fry that. Oh, you mean? Just take up your meat and fry it, you know. And when she done fry it now, she put it on the bun, on the burger bun them. And then she would say, which sauce you want? And then we put the A1 sauce on it, you know. No seasoning or nothing, you know. You mustn't think I joke me and make. Just put the meat. I chew me a gangster more while back in them time. It can't work with it. But in a fear, man, a big cooking that. But when I say, obviously she Bafan, right? Because me a Jamaican and me know Jamaican woman cook. But the reason I bring this up and thing and whatever, I know of a few situations where you have Jamaicans in relationship with women who can't cook. And it's not that them can't cook, but they don't cook to our standard. And they don't cook to our, not just perfection, but standard, right? Them not season and all them something there, whatever. Man, you can't eat something. And then you have people judge those people, those women now, and basically it become like a zero-sum assessment whereby she can't cook and she can't wash, then that's it. I want to write them off. And all I'm suggesting is that we probably want to be a little bit more circumspect and careful there, you know? You want to find out what is the relationship based? What are the elements that brought these two people together? Because there are people out there who are really, really happy in their relationship, really good, but the woman baffan. But there is all these things, other things going on in the relationship that make them suitable for each other. So if you're an influential person if in the case you have a Jamaican man, Sweet Julie said, Raga, I was that girl that couldn't cook a raw. See there? And Julie, a good woman. Right, Julie? You're a good woman. Yeah, if you're in a relationship, though, and you couldn't cook, though. Yeah, man, you have enough good woman out there. Them not 200 in our cooking era, man. All right? So be careful now, in them modern times, you know, now write off woman for say, boy. Let go that man, I said, the woman I can. To the man, them too, you know? No found a man on a probably I'll get out some good woman, buck up on some good. The reason I brought this up, it had to do with the relatives, right? There was a situation where the gentleman introduced him lady to his mother. And the mother, you know, the mother just not like her, you know? Because she can't cook and she can't wash and whatever. And fear thing, then she got to take care of my son. But the mother old school, you know? You understand? So me just say, give some consideration to being a little bit more flexible, you know, with that type of, you know, deal-breaking standard that many of us have been raised with in our Jamaican culture where, you know, we just write off women and we don't hold the same standard for cooking and cleaning with men. Of course, we have another standard that the man they're held at in terms of them being providers and, you know, having money and can take care of the woman. Like, that part is there too for Jamaica type of thing. That if the man not do that, then him is not a man, right? So each side of each gender have them burden to carry according to our cultural mores and things like that. But specifically for the woman, I'm just saying, one, so Bernadine said the bashing Agent Sasko wife got when she said she can't cook was next level. I didn't even know about that. And look at that now. And she's a wonderful woman, talented in so many ways. And when I say talented in so many ways, like really talented, bright, quite the entrepreneur, you know, start our own business and run it, you know, vivacious, intelligent, articulate, you know. In my humble assessment of her, she comes over, I don't know them business, but she comes over to me like a great mother. And let me be careful here. In my assessment, she's a good wife. This thing, man. She's a really good wife. Just for when me know, without getting in any details, when you talk about somebody who, the wife who have your back when things not go good, yeah. The wife who hold it down right through when things not go good, yeah. The wife who dead for you when you're depressed and you're down and I don't know what I talk about. Yeah. Nicole is that what, you know? So why if she can't cook? No, it makes sense that you know, it makes sense that you would if you're in a relationship, you bring some value to the relationship. There has to be some things about you that make you, that you can contribute something to the relationship, okay? So it doesn't have to be what traditional Jamaica say it must be, All right. Munchi, all you there and thing and whatever, no. Once you there, I want to 6:32. That mean you're not beard. You're not beard yet. Munchi, go beard and come back. Because we know you're not beard. Once you see you there them time and whatever, this and that, I mean you're not beard. Go beard and come back. Leave come out of the chat and go beard and come back. Oh, what? Sometimes TikTok go on something with them give something and I send some message to you. I don't even understand some of them things. I don't want to laugh, though. No, man. Yeah, she not be it, man. She will go on and come back. Okay. All right. Yo, that thing they were Mr. Warmington roll out upon the leader of the PNP. And basically I beat him, say, him great-grandparents used to own slave. I mean, she said, and he's on the JLP side, obviously. I mean, see, some people jump on it. Predictably, we understand, say, labor rights go and do that, because they're partisan, and election will come up now. The election going to call anytime now. Because it's due, it must be called before September. It have to go, the election must happen before September. Well, a certain date in September, and so it have to announce to get time for campaign and all these things before the actual vote, right? So everyone want me to come out and him give it to Mark Golding, about him great-grandparents who used to own slaves. Not only that, him take it on a level where he must say, yeah, these Jews who did come to Jamaica and own slaves. Now, he must be careful with that, because a lot of the brown people, when you say at Jamaica, for them ancestors did indeed own slaves, black slaves and things like that. But you must be careful when you go open up that door there, because you must focus it on the leader of the PNP, and I said that, but it looked like him conveniently forgets that the JLP was known for a long time as the Brown People Party or the Jamaican Redkin People Party or the Jamaican White People Party. Because, the PNP go over there now and start, dig up like how him go dig up and whatever. The JLP may have more to lose there than the PNP. But those are, not for you don't know and whatever, But, I choose my words carefully. Let's just say traditionally, the JLP was known for a long time that they have the people who descended from the people who used to own slaves. For a long time. I mean, that was understood. But people never really did take it over this and go over this with it. So I say, him go open up this thing and go off of Mark Golding with it now. But in my humble estimate of this thing, the JLP may have way more to lose there if that becomes, the argument and thing. I know right now he's focusing it on the leader. You see where somebody posts, this is the type of thing. Mark are the only one I put chain around black man there. And I don't get into them type of something there. In Jamaica, the JLP supporters, dirty PNP, and them will tell you everything where the PNP them do bad. And if you say anything bad about the JLP, them will say as bad as the JLP might be, the PNP worse. Then you go over the PNP, dirty labor right them, and them will tell you everything bad with the JLP do. And if you identify and say, nah, but look what PNP do, pan PNP scandal, look pan PNP this, look what. Them say, well, as bad as things is over here, it's still not as bad as the JLP. And you cannot have a rational discussion with them. So I don't. When I realize, anytime I talk to one of them and I see that this person is a diehard labor right or a diehard comrade, me shut down. It doesn't make any sense. It don't make any sense. You're not going to get through to either of them. You're not going to get through to a diehard labor right. You're not going to get through to a diehard comrade. It's just not going to happen, right? And each side, them have the worst to say about the other one. So you see the comment there with that person they make? The comment there with that person they make? But Mark going and chain around black man neck. That's just, that's typical. At people who very partisan and them dep on one side. PNP have them, JLP have them. So usually when I talk about these things, I quickly assess if this is somebody with whom I can have a rational discussion with, And then if it's somebody I can't, me and them a reason. And then me will learn something from them, and then me learn something from me, and the discussion may, evolve in an intelligent way. But the one-sided partisan, dirty labor right, dirty comrade type of thing, me can't manage it. So anytime I have relatives stay side up. Me have relatives stay side up on both sides, right? Me have relatives, them a PNP, comrade. You can't tell them nothing to do with about the dirty labor right. The dirty labor right, them are wicked, them evil, them this and that. Me have relative, them a labor right, a them say show, a them say bell. You can't tell them nothing good about the PNP. I said, no, but the PNP did do this, or the PNP did do that, or whatever. Me not in an argument. Them bring up them politics thing, me just shut down. And you let them be. Me still love them, and think, but me just let them be. All right? All right, but you do have a set of independent thinkers, though, who usually decide the elections in Jamaica. They are the ones who decide the elections in Jamaica. Because you know where it go. You have the garrison seat, them where PNP garrison seat, JLP garrison seat, where them they not switch. Right? At the swing seat, them, just like up here, the swing seat, them usually decide election, right? So where the swing voters are, them usually decide election. And the swing voters, people who make some assessment, and at some point they may vote JLP, and another time they may vote PNP or whatever, Those are the people I generally can have an intelligent conversation with, and we can learn something from them. Enough time I talk to them people, and them I say, no, but you need to, so and so and so and so, and them come with facts, or them will come with an assessment or analysis and thing, and me say, so I never think about it that way there. Big and serious, I never think about it that way there, or whatever, and thing like that. So we are getting into that season now. So people just are telling you, just be on guard. You're gonna see the ugliness start already, people being just really crass and merciless and terrible. The silly season, correct. Bernardine, the silly season. We'll see it start now and thing. And I'm urging you, as you talk to your colleagues, or if you're in Jamaica and thing, if you think PNP deserve for going to power, now vote for the PNP. If you think, based on your assessment, that the JLP has done a good job, which the JLP has done. PNP may say what them wants. The JLP has done some good things. We see some metrics coming out recently, like poverty. The poverty level has decreased significantly. And so, that's what the JLP have some accomplishments under their belt, that they can campaign on. So if that is satisfying to you in terms of what you may conclude to be some progress there, then support the JLP, right? But if you think, the scandal with them with them a hold on, because each party in power do the same thing. Them try to highlight the stuff with them do and minimize the bad things them. And if you think the JLP, if you think them bad, outpace or outnumber them good, or is a heavier weight, then don't vote for them, But just not make nobody program in a hatred and them something. Yeah? Just be an objective, rational thinker, and then see as best you can to find out which party you think deserve a chance to go forward as winner in the upcoming election, and you go for that one, But Raga, you don't think U.S. politics start getting dirty over the past 10 to 15 years? I wasn't talking about U.S. politics. If you're asking me something or whatever, U.S. politics has always been dirty. Has the character of the politics changed considerably since 2016? Yes, it has. Yes, there is so much happening in the United States political system now that, as bad as they have been, I'm not getting into that today, but it has changed for the worse, It has changed for the worse. My friends in Europe, my friends in Africa, my friends in Asia, but I have friends mostly in Europe and Africa, Western Europe and Africa. They're looking on the United States as a joke. Them tease me and beat me all the while. The running joke amongst them is like, I hope you guys don't dare talk about you sending election observers to our country anymore. I hope you don't tell us anything about good governance and things like. You are in no position to tell us that or whatever. All my friends in Canada, I can't say nothing to them. I can't say nothing to them. I have a bunch of friends in Canada and I can't say nothing to them up there. Like, and don't even, which is understandable. So things have gotten, things have changed considerably here, it was bad before in many ways and it was good in some ways and things, but it has changed, All right. Okay. All right. The request box is open. Any mix-up you have, right? Forward with it right, PK, Wagwan.
Wagwan Raga, me a big you up,
There, man, what you say?
What day, man?
See, everything is everything.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. You good?
Yeah, man. Look like you better than me.
Why me better than you? Why you gonna say that? No, why me can't pop down and things are going for you?
Nah, man, and you look like you're the girl I'm sugar, man.
Me and the girl, them sugar.
Yeah, you
No, man,
always alive.
that a beanie man.
Well, yeah, I'm son.
Me a beanie man son.
Yeah.
All right, we work with that. But everything
Yeah,
good
man.
though.
Eh?
Everything good though.
Yeah, man.
All right, now say a
The
word.
idea of someone just going easy,
You see, now say a word, man. Respect for the yellow, you hear, sir?
Alright, big up.
Yeah, man. Protection, PK.
Ah.
All right. I wonder what the PK mean.
Raga,
Whoa, what I go down?
What going on, brother?
Then in a family, what you say?
So you don't know, so me have a like a mix up. From what you want, drop it, you know.
All right, here I go. Where you are going? I think you're a driver, you have me on the car or something like that, no?
Alright, let me take it out.
Yeah, cause you can be a loop.
I hear me better.
No, we did that hear you good enough. We just did that hear me a loop. Yeah, it gone now. Wherever you do it gone now. Send on.
I only hope it sound better, you know.
Eh?
I only hope it sound better, you know.
Well, so far it sound better, you know. I mean, hear ya echo.
Okay, alright. Let me just go in it, you know, because when I eat, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, my sister have two big woman friends, you know, cause a young girl.
Yeah.
So she meet these people by a girl from her school, so her friend.
Yeah.
So she invite me at them yard
Yeah.
as her big brother, cause I'm a response to her and thing.
Right.
So me go, cause I know where my sister stay.
Right. Yeah, for protect her.
So me go at the yard.
Mm-hmm.
And she introduced me to the two lady them.
Mm-hmm.
But from me reach, me see one who me like, you know.
Right, Tawe.
Which is, you know, our nice thickers.
Yeah.
And then the other sister slim.
Okay.
So right away, me not itch, you know, me I put her an argument, you know.
Yeah. Who you put on argument? The slimmers or the thickers?
The thickers.
Are the thickers? Cause what, you like them thick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, me did hear me a girl talk and she take the talk them, so me I say, yeah, me I get through.
See?
So in the evening now when me ready for left,
Eh.
the slimmers say me fi drop her in her bay.
Yeah.
So me not pre the slimmers cause two me love half the thickers there.
Mm.
You don't know, say two sisters then congregate already. And the thick one tell the slim one, say, yo, you take him in, because me have one already.
But, so what happened when you drop off the slimmers?
At that time, I know what one.
What you mean? Tell me what going on. What happened? What the
The
slimmers say?
slimmers are give me all the talk. And I tell me, boy, you can't turn the like my sister. And me like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Raga, we just get to a nice part now.
Yeah.
The slimmers invite me same evening.
Yeah.
So, me go over there. So, me and the slimmers have a bar, so she say, she gonna give me a drink.
Yeah.
And when she give me the drink, me fi tell her what happened. Me can't forget that drink. Stone ginger wine, white rum, Appleton. You remember when full chocolate that go on?
I want full chocolate.
Energy drink.
What energy drink? Oh, me not really remember
Yeah,
that
when
one
you
then, but
recall
go
back
on
and
to
forth, yeah.
stone ginger wine, white rum, and Appleton.
Yeah.
Bomba.
Three of them mix, you know.
Yeah.
And she give me a flask. And
Yeah.
say, alright, take 2 drinks out of it.
Yeah.
She make it drink it and she put the trace on it.
Yeah.
And when me done the first cup, she said to me, say, how you feel? Raga?
Yeah.
Me tell her straight up, because that time you know alcohol in her blood. Brave on me, you can't find.
Yeah.
So me don't step to her and tell her, say, just invite me in her room and you will see.
And you will say, yeah.
Raga, we go in the room.
Yeah.
So me I go on with myself, you know, say woman phone ring.
Right.
Foreign man call. The woman a chat to a man from England.
Well on. So when she chat to him, man, you just still in her living room?
Living room, Miss Dehina died all about everywhere.
No, well on. You know when me say living room, you know what Raga mean when he say living room, right?
I know exactly what you're talking about. Me in her room, Raga.
So you're up in her living room when the phone ring and she answer her phone when you're in her living room, don't?
And when she dip on the phone, me I push it a little further.
Yo, yeah.
Raga, something knows a woman dangerous.
Thank you.
Raga,
Yeah.
the woman, me I go on bad, you know.
Yes, man.
Me I put it on her, you know.
Yeah, man, I answer phone, same man.
I do on the phone, I say, a ball. I to the man, you know, I say, her belly a hurt her. Say, her period.
Yeah, our period, a terrible period come down upon her, don't.
The woman tell the man say her period come and she have to go get doctor tomorrow.
Yeah.
So the man tell her say go get a pill from her mother.
Right, and the reason why she said that when you put it on her, she makes some make some sound and all them things.
Remember now, you know, me I find out say me a burner man now, you know.
That's right, yeah.
So me I go put it on him now like how a burner man to put it on them.
Well, we talk about that after, but go on talk, yeah.
Go on, Raga, me go on bad, me I tell you.
Yeah.
And when the woman tell him and say she dep her period, her belly a hot her.
Yes, man.
Them time there's a young youth me I learn say woman dangerous.
I want me to you, man. Yes.
Yeah, man. That's what they want tell her, Raga, I say every time if you connect.
Nah, you see that's something they do. Man. That's something they do. Enough time that go on, you know. Enough time man call him woman, you know, and I either her mouth full, you know, or you know, somebody in our living room, you know. And them don't even know, you know. And but the point where you make from it is like, yeah, if woman go for play and come and think there's no way you can beat them to that game there because
there's no way you can beat them. So you hear some man attack up and I say, boy, no woman can't fool me.
Any man you say that, you show me a man who say that, I mean, show you an idiot. I say, yes, you an idiot. There. Any man who say, oh, no woman couldn't go around me, so man, no woman can't depend on phone, a man do that, I mean, pick up and all, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. Because a woman bad pan and something. You know what I say? Them look at thing, you know, like when you're young, you know, you used to get up with them something there and thing, but you know, feel say your responsibility as a bonner man is like say something like that, no, and the boss call. You just easy and wait. And makes you talk, you know, feel so like that is the right thing a bonner man supposed to do. I think that is the right thing a bonner man. That is the right thing. Yeah.
I know me know that. Them time they when this go
when you're young. Okay.
First experience them there.
Yeah.
No, when if me fit in that the situation there again.
Yeah.
And bonner man call.
Yeah.
Me not going about my business, man.
Yeah, you go about your business. Or even if you're not going about your business, you just stay in the living room and wait, you know?
Worse if all on sugar mama, you have to take care of the thing.
Yeah, man. Your role as a bonner man and a bonner woman must know, your role is not to mash up the relationship, right? You're there for a purpose. Stick to the assignment, right? You must make sure you're not behaving in a way to mash up the people and thing, right?
Me deal with it that way they call me vex, Raga.
What that? Call you vex?
Me deal with it that way they call me vex.
So we have...
want me get.
Okay, you never get the tickers. The tickers just tell the slim man. Say, nah, you go and go on because I have my thing already or whatever. Nah, but so what, the slim man never go on good?
Yeah, man, she go on good.
She go on good and thing. But what a way she give you that the special liquor then you just grind you off after, don't?
Me say, no, Raga, me friend, no fret. The me all I wonder if I sit in the woman put in a liquor, you know?
No, that the mixture alone there. That the mixture alone though, you know.
Me make sure me drink it after that too. And they do the same thing for Joe.
And they do the same thing. No.
Yeah, man, they do the same thing.
Me don't know how Jamaicans kill up themselves over stone ginger wine, you know. It never grab me, you know.
Man,
you know what I'm saying? It grab me. But you know, stone ginger wine.
You have to mix it with
white rum and then Appleton, which is rum too. Man. And whatever. No, man, that will charge you up differently for true, man.
Yeah, man, proper charge up.
But me want, if the bonner man and the bonner woman them a listen right, you know, If you're in a position and you know you're the bona man or you're bona woman, your responsibility is to make sure so the person
Take care of
relationship.
the
Yeah.
thing.
You know, if you do nothing
Yeah,
for
man.
violate that. You have to be disciplined in your thing. You have to take your
Yes,
bona man
man.
and your bona woman thing serious. Now, in a
Have to take
position
care of the
like
thing,
that,
man.
I have read that there have been instances where something like that happen and the woman will say, don't move, and we signal to you, don't move even when you move. If the woman said, don't move and don't leave the living room, then fine, don't leave the living room. You can't stay there, right? Or you can take time, make the experience interesting, you know? Do some little slow-mo and thing and whatever, edge it little bit, slide it slow. But no bother with no ramming thing right there, so no fit, you know? They go make she go put her in a trouble and jeopardize. You don't have nothing to prove right there. So you want when you're done, she rate you and say, one thing with him, you know me like about that boy there. When me and him are juggling, I can answer my man phone anytime. Him good, you see? Yeah, man, I like him, man, because I know say all him, man. I'm not for worry about him, man, I call me, I'm not answer, and then him go get suspicious and them something there because I know say from me I juggle with that boy there, you know, him good, man, him go slow down and thing and still make it nice, you know, kind of edge it and I do it nice and slow, but nothing for make my man get suspicious, you know? Yeah, that is
I
a
want to
response.
tell you, say, after that,
Yeah.
brother come down from England.
Yeah.
And me carry him in the back of me carry him and the woman. Remember me tell you that.
Well, you know, so
Cause me have to take care of the thing cause me get tired for me car.
you get what?
Yes, man.
What you say?
Raga,
What you mean? She buy tire for your car?
she buy 4 brand new tires for me car.
That is good. A good woman that. A good woman
And
that.
it's a woman where walk on the road busy.
Mm.
Me say no, you always not busy for me. You know?
Yeah.
Mama say, alright, forward. Me pay for yours a day.
Oh, I
And
saw
me
she
gone.
move.
Yeah, man. So me have to take care of the thing.
Okay. Well,
That's the
no,
first
but
part,
no,
man.
but what you
Get what
think?
me want, man. Me abuse the thing.
Yeah, but what you think about that though? What you think about that? Say you are the boner man and thing and whatever, and she wait that them a complain said that this me say the screen go out a while ago, but it come back now. Cause I have the studio, you know, people, but me I see one I see on the web, on the well on the phone too, right? Me I see it too. So what I'm seeing is that it come back and it's okay now. Right, yes, okay, me just want to confirm, because people I said okay now, to me this is some people I must say like, it a freeze. Okay, good. So it okay now. No, me see when it go out, you know, people, but it come back now, good. So when me I say, you know, things that she shouldn't do that still.
Big and serious, she shouldn't do it still.
Yeah.
I don't lie.
Yeah.
Because, you know, as a man where I deal with that woman, yeah, no matter if you have been a good man,
Yeah.
you still have feelings, yeah, man.
Yeah, I when me I say, you know, and them say, see him now for stick, sheep stick, go take sleep, mat, that, no, whatever.
Good, you see?
So when me I say, that kind of say something, you know, cause principle for you know, everything, man. And me as a man too, you know, me I tell you in that position, you know, me a boner man and a man come and she say, you know, someone with a hype about them something, and she say, yo, come carry the tour or whatever. You know, me are the type of person. I said, no, B, no do that. No do that to him. He's a good man to you. Yeah. Are you man? Ray. And you know, me and you think that we have our little fun and them something there, but so me, you know, at time now for me, teach her and guide her. So I said, no, one, you no need to do that. Me know say where a man no know him no know. And that you work off but out of your own principle, just me want you to govern your thing for say.
I know Raga, because I'm a young boy.
Yeah, young boy. No. Me understand that. But you know,
yeah.
me just I say, and let me be fair too, because when me did younger to me, he cool certain.
Alright, you see what
Yeah,
I
no,
say?
me
So
cool.
you didn't watch no face.
Yo, you see back in the day, you see me like one girl. You see, if her parents not like me,
Yeah.
me didn't have a look at thing, like, some want set them daughter in the parents' bed.
No.
No, it was this kind of like sick looking thing me did have. Like, it's man, the parents them not like me. Yeah, man, I want to start out them daughter in the parents them bed, man. So me get this little satisfaction, like when the parents, I don't know what I do with that boy upon the street, cause they kind of when we young, we bad and whatever. And think, I mean, they just get this satisfaction for I done me, and I say, yeah, man, you can't go and talk. You should have seen me last night in your bed with you.
You know them face, yeah.
No, me not say that. Me not say it to them face. Me not say it to them face.
No,
Me
man,
just,
in your mind, me at
in my mind, but you just look at
Yeah.
thing, me get off on it. Like, once your parents them not like me, I say, yeah, man, I want to start out them daughter in a for them bed and thing and whatever. So, you was just thinking them they style me, me just get quiet and I say, you should have seen when me I put the two pillar them under bottom and the ice are up. You did the attack and with the same pillar where you asleep on. You should have seen what that pillar there last night. And now, you get older and you don't really have them priorities anymore. So when you did young,
experience, teaching wisdom,
yeah, when you did young, you think differently about them.
that was then.
That was then. We don't even have an appetite for them things anymore,
No, sir, man, a big man, you know.
Big man, I know him. Some of that picnic foolishness,
Just high and by and that.
Yes, man. I ain't like me. That's okay. Bye. Nothing to prove here. We're good. We're good over here. We're good over here. All right, my general. Now say a word here.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Protection, respect for that one. I'm glad you get in and could actually. Yo, tell me something. What you do differently now than when you did Carlene before and you did an echo?
You know, so me just take out the earpiece and put in it.
So when you did Carlene before, them big man, you never hear me ask you if you're the on earpiece and you say no.
No, me never did on it before.
You never did on it when you call when you did attack the first time before you come off?
No, me never did on it.
All right, well, just before you come off and you say, drop me and catch you back. You never did on earpiece at that time, ne?
No.
Because you thought, I don't know how to explain. You thought no, I would not hear the big woolly looping, echo looping now. So I did want to know what you do different so that we hear you clearly.
Me just take out my earpiece and put in a my ears and I talk to you from that. But it's a nice cancellation one me have.
So what you thought now, what you been talking to me now since you come back on, there's nothing different than what you did I do before?
Nothing different more than I start use the Bluetooth.
More than you start use the Bluetooth?
Yeah.
You using the Bluetooth now?
Right now, yeah.
Yo, people me don't even understand what I'm going on. Anyway, me did I try figure it out for see me.
Remember you just saying, man, a man make them
yeah, but me I try figure out why sometimes
if me connect you back to the car, it go echo.
That me know I go echo. But me say after you did take me off of the car, you did still a echo and a loop bad. So me I try figure out so I can tell people when them a echo that way.
Right now, if you take to stop use the Bluetooth,
yeah,
it go echo.
Well, you see, now I'm confused. So when you use the Bluetooth, it nah echo.
Yeah.
Oh.
But when me realize it have to do with the type of phone case where you have.
What you mean?
Because me have a fully protective phone case.
Yeah.
So it cover the whole entire phone. So it echo that time. So sometimes you will talk to someone and them a tell you say them not hear you while you are hear them and you hear the echo.
Yeah.
Or the feedback from in the phone case.
Cause the sound and come out of the phone and then the case are black. Oh.
Yeah, man, cause that me realize just now, I type of phone case what me have.
Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
that could be it, because it has send back the sound in. No,
Yeah,
that
man,
could
exactly that, man.
be. Yeah, that could
Because
be.
if me even call someone straight and me I talk to them on speaker, same problem them have.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
If you call somebody straight and you talk to them on speaker, that the same problem with the echo them have.
Same problem with the echo.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, it make
That
a lot
makes
of,
sense.
of course. I just like that.
I remember everybody have case on them phone now, so it depends on which case you have.
People want the eyepiece case, you know.
Yeah, but no, the phone them so damn expensive now. People have to just make sure them have them case to protect it. Yeah. Yeah.
Man.
All right. Now say a word, man. Cool, yeah?
All right, Raga, now say a word. Big up.
Jano. Some things that we all used to do when we were young, we would have never do now when we're older. We the older ones, that is, because you have enough young people listen to me.
Yeah, man, long time I try to reach you, man.
Seen. Well, go down, talk to me.
Yeah, man, I have a look at Mixup with you.
Make we hear it.
Yeah, man, you know, say, when me about 17,
Yeah.
in high school,
Yeah.
yeah, man, we used to talk to this girl, you know?
Yeah.
She live in the same community.
Yeah.
So she live a look down the road from me. That
Yeah.
time me live with my grandmother, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, normally, we not go to my father.
Mm-hmm.
But I evening there, you know, I say, all right, school over early, so I say, all right, I go link the girl down the road.
Yeah.
Right, so me and her come from school, so, you know, the bus now, and, you know, fill up a cat and thing, and get it warm up and thing, and rare and something.
You did a warm up the cat.
Yeah, man, warm up the cat, you know?
Yeah, warm up the cat.
So I tell her, I say, yo, I go forward it home.
Yeah.
Because, you know, want something going in the evening.
Yes, man.
So she say her mother and her father, nah, come back. You know, so I say, all right. So, boom, so reach her yard. You know, I then country yard, where they up on the hillside, and then you walk up. So you have a wall about 10 feet, 8 feet, a retaining wall.
Right.
Right, so go up a yard now, reach a doorway, one table there, so I take off my bag, put on my bag and go in the house now. So strip off clothes now and like a buckle in a rag and say, all right, start.
What you mean buckle? Buckle what?
Buckle.
What you mean buckle? What you say?
That was a naked like a buckle.
Oh, you're naked like a buckle. Okay.
Yeah, man. So, you know, we are going and kiss up and rub down and check the engine, make sure it's lubricated and thing, you know.
Indeed. You know?
Yeah, man. So, just as me say right now, I go take the key and put in the ignition and me want shuffling outside, you know. So, two of we stop and I look on each other like, and we say, oh, what that? So, anyway, you know, you're not so continue on, you know.
Mm-hmm.
By the time he said, boom again, and we go start again. Me hear somebody say, woof about this. so same time now she be say, yo, daddy come.
Yeah.
I say, I did a only girl just give me one push and shoot me off her, you know, man.
Yeah.
And start put on her clothes quick and fast.
Yeah.
She say, yo, go on her bed.
Because you're naked as a buckle. You're naked. Because them time that you're naked as a buckle.
Yeah. So, me, you know, I start put on clothes now. I try as fast as possible. One foot in her pants. Shirt I go on at the same time. All of them things.
Mm-hmm.
So, boom, now, put on my pants and manage to put on my shirt. So, daddy come in now and bust the door. And the girl run out to the rag and run up on the hillside. So me set up boom now and run.
When the father bust the door, she run past the father through the door?
Yeah, man, run past.
And take it on the hillside.
Right. So So me now say, alright, now I'm gonna look at escape around the back door, but a one way in and one way out. So say, alright, run and me see I look a passage with a look like you have a passage and then the end of the passage now you have a look wall, you know. So me stand up behind the wall, you know. One of them blow out for in a ragga. So every step you man step you hear the footstep a come, you know.
It's
So
like
right
a
now,
movie.
it's like, you know, you're right, like me now, I see, you know, so me a button up his shirt, me and a tremble in a ragga.
Yeah.
By the time I reach the top button, the man come and stand up in front of me, you know, man. And just collar me up on my chest, you know, man. Gird me up and say, yo, where are you in my house? I fuck you and I fuck off my daughter.
Wait, don't say the F word. Don't say the F word. Don't say the F word. Yeah.
Alright. So I just look up at the man, you know, like, and I just look back down. I look on the hand, you know, gird up my shirt. I try pull out my shirt out the hand, you know. So anyway, man, the man haul me back at him now, you know. And draw me go to the doorway, you know, and so you see man take up a broomstick where they right at the broom there. You know, one of them old broom there with the two metal thing on the rasta broom them.
Yes.
One of that man take up in a ragga. Yeah, so we said so boom now. And in carry me go out the door, so same time he start call the daughter and I say, yo, can man come in my house? You turn big man that thing. So while him there, I take time and hold my bag, you know. And hug it up, you know. So I say, road me I go run off, you know. I say, Ragga, the man does ease me off and let me go in, man. And yes, when the man ease up a broom ticket, you know, the only thing me could have done is stuck back here. And the man drop a broom ticket across my shoulder and Ragga. Like when you lick out a rug my line, you know. You say, come here,
Hold on. So hold on. And give one out of the broomstick, no?
Yeah, man, the man give me one cross me back on my shoulder everywhere, man. You see, by the time he ease up again in the Ragga.
Yeah.
If you give me a second one, you know, you know when you lick off a cat and then spring and jump.
Yeah.
I saw me move, you know, man. I doesn't win.
What you say?
I doesn't win, Missy come.
When the first lick connect, when I want the connect, you know, you fly up in the air like a cat and Lego down.
Yeah, man, Mr. Run, you know, Ragga, you know. Man, took off of me, you know. So as I tell you, said,
Am I run off for you with the broom? Am I run off for you with the broomstick?
Yeah, man.
John,
yeah, man, move off of me, man.
John, no.
When me run now, me now, when me reach the wall alone left for me going on, man. Ragga, me jump off of that, you know, man. Straight across the road, you know.
See it there.
Not even look left or right, you know.
You jump the wall easy, down.
Yeah, man. When me start turn down one goal, you know, and me start run, yeah, me not think ball could have catch me, Ragga.
You see the way you're fast that time.
And it's like,
John, no.
Yeah, man, so it's like every time when me ease up to say, alright, I go take a breath, it's like me hear footstep come. But the man still up on yard. Me run till me reach a river, me I tell you.
Yeah.
Like one of them dry bed river, you know.
Yeah.
And it's like, my mind I tell me, say, oh, the man I come see you, you know, man. Me just took off in the river and I Ragga, me start run till Ragga, one of my uncle where have in cover bush, me run past him and that way no say. That way no say. Man I say, yo, where you go? You say, I better catch vehicle go.
No, but tell me something. From that experience, right? Clearly a long time and when you was 17, but from that experience, if you know I go quote somebody say, yo, when you go on mission, man, this is what you do and this is what you not to do. What are some of the things you would do different?
Why? But I just make sure say, yo, the one going to the house when I'm not one way out.
You know some man watch a movie named Running. I don't know if you know about that, you know. Robert De Niro, Running. You ever watch a movie, the RONIN? But yeah, one woman now, she recruit some top spies and, you know, like hitmen and whatever for one big work, she recruit them. And she set up a meeting place. And one night time, you know, the Robert De Niro character, him kind of not go in, you know. And when he buck up somebody and think, yeah, them kind of reason, I say, big man, why you not going and whatever. And him said, listen to me. I never go into anything that I don't know how I can get out. And I will never forget that. Never you go into anything where you don't know how you can get out. And you see that? It physically, it's important, right? Because when me just go dance and my role model, Weather, him did name, him did know and thing. You know, good man Weather. And thing, Weather say, you know, them always that teach you. When you go in a dance, position yourself where you know exactly where you're going to leave the dance if shots start fire. So you see, and for me, I mean, I share with you know, that is, it not only is it physical, but it is also, you know, like marriage. We are conditioned to go into marriage not thinking, oh, we're going to get out, you know, because people say, so why you going to get married if you think about, oh, forget, or you may get out. But the reality of life is you may have to get out, don't it?
Yeah,
That's how it
true,
go.
that,
That's how it go.
But
Right?
why that Raga does one thing there on the mind, you know?
No, me know you're saying that, but what me I say, look back on the thing, you know. If you think about this thing, I say, and when you're young, you're not think about all these probabilities. You know, you just, them time then when you get front, all your mind upon is the front.
Exactly.
Right? But what me I say is, after a while, when you did me get past certain thing, you know, you drop a woman yard, you know, me did have a rule, you know. Your pants not leave your ankle, you know. But how that rule is so?
Well, that not sound bad. But, you know, as you say, young and you just have move
Yeah,
fast.
because you say you're
want to
naked
lean
as a
out.
buckle and all them stuff. You depend them look.
You
No,
want
no,
to
me
reach
just
here,
say.
trip off everything.
Yeah,
You
but
don't expect, say, yo,
yeah, you
somebody
know
are
think
coming.
about that because she don't tell you say them not forward and all them thing there, whatever. My dog, I don't know if you
Yeah,
see
man, she
her.
go to school and tell my friend them, man.
She tell your friend them
And
at
every
school.
time man, they see me out, say, daddy, I come there, you know.
Well, them are wicked. Them are
laugh off
wicked.
of me, man.
When them see you, when they to school, them a tease you and say, oi, Rami, and
Yeah.
daddy I come there, you know. Daddy I come. Them
Yeah.
are wicked. Them are wicked. Them are wicked. Them are wicked. Them are wicked.
There you go.
You survive it.
Life
Big up
lesson
yourself.
that, yeah.
Big up yourself. Here, sir. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Cool.
man.
All right,
Bless
Rami.
up.
Cool. Why people you see them something you know. To all the young soldier them or whatever, man. You see find you the certain age. Worse at the first year go there. Worse is a situation when the person or whatever I tell you about. No man, him not there, man, him gone so and him not come back. Just assume say him coulda come back. Right? Look how much time we hear the money for mix up here. But the man goes so boom and something happen and him have to come back early and what happen. Or him suspect something and boom and him come back and this and that. You know, see all them video there out there. I wonder if you not see the video them. With man a come back and a catch him woman, then with man and a kill the woman and all a kill the man too. Yo, Jano, me don't even know somehow you still see certain thing and still go. Me not sound for paranoid, you know, and just not live on a life, you know. But me just I say, even if you're not gonna do certain things, man, you have to have some precaution in place, yo. Cause me I see some video out there, you know, and them not pretty. There's some terrible, some cruel, awful things going on out there with people catch them people with other man or other woman. And most of them are the man that catch a woman with a man. And them are dirty, two of them. I want to tell you, Mr. I've had several videos. I mean, all over the world, you know. But a whole heap of video, man, out there with man come back and I catch a woman with the boner, man. And them a light them up, man. And them a video it and I show you everything. Me not go into the gory details and thing and whatever. But I don't know. But me just say if we in that position there, you have to balance on the thing for move when you need for move. As a soldier. And you look funny, some boom, pants up, same way and whatever, boom. If you have your machine, it will be near you. And thing, you not take no check. Yeah. And a guy bust the door, you take it out, you know, in a long argument and whatever. You left them. You understand? That's just what I think, you know. When you gonna catch them way there. All right. Sweetie pie, what you mean you're shy? Come on, man. Uncle Raga you talk to, you know. A mass Raga you talk to, man. Just come in with the mix-up, man. What kind of shy you shy? I'll take care of you. Verbally, of course. All right? So just come in with the mix-up, man. All right? Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah, good afternoon to you. Yeah, but you're there on speakerphone or something. You come off of it.
At the headphone.
Yeah, but we just want to hear your clip.
I'm right at the roadside.
All right, go on talk.
Alright. One time in Raga, when me used to...
You have to talk up, you know, darling. You have to talk up. Focus. Talk up, man. You're there on ear now.
Alright, Raga. One time me used to have my ex-boyfriend and me used to give him bone.
You used to give...
Me used to have my phone pa. Yeah, man, me used to give my ex-boyfriend bone.
Yeah.
Right. So me have my phone on silent. I always have it on silent. So when time the next man call, me kind of check up on the phone. One day now me go to bathroom now. And me see him. He look on the phone and he say, oh, your phone never ring yet.
Yeah.
So me turn to him and say, me don't like the ringing on the phone. They may always edge my teeth.
You tell him, say the ringing on the phone always nudge your teeth. That's why you don't make your phone ring.
Always edge my teeth. That's why me don't make my phone ring.
Okay.
So one day now me hearing phone a ring now. From that day, me say Raja, me say to him, say, you know I said the ringing on your phone edge my teeth.
You tell him, say the ringing on theme phone don't edge your teeth?
They edge my teeth.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So him thought put your phone on silent now, because my phone can't take off of silent now, because I always have it on silent, because the next man have to call.
Right, the bonner man.
Right. So, you know, that's, he bonner man take me away from him, so before that me take off my phone off of silent.
So the spicy mix-up, what you say at the start is that the bonner man take you away from him, so and that make you take your phone off of silent, right?
Right.
Okay.
So that is it now.
That is it. So
right.
you're the right out with the bonner man now.
Right out with him right now.
So the bonner man
and no more phone now edge my teeth.
And no more phone now edge your teeth. See it there? Spicy
no
mix-up.
Ringing.
Spicy mix-up. No more phone now edge your teeth and thing. All right, big up yourself, here.
All right, big up, Roger.
Yeah, man, cool. DJ Ryan, my brother, I'm on ear, you know, and the people in my ear, yo. Ragabash, you see, hey, that's why I know some rate, you know. Nah, man, I'm going to send... What is going on? You see it, I'm going to send it to you, my brother. I'm going to make sure you get the flyers. Give about a week, here. Yeah, man, after I send you my post the picture them. Yeah. You see it, then you see me, I'll make special flyer with you alone for one of them and send it to you. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm going to send you some post the picture, man, Ragabash, you know. You see it. I already called them about the suit, so you know that go already. Them just dead. The whole of them dead. So weird. How things are going for the independence boat ride for you now? Well, listen, I'm so blessed. You know we say, Raga. Yeah. It not take much for please we, you know. Yeah. True, we used to just enough. Yes. True, we used to just enough. It not take much to please with, and the response has been really, really amazing, as always. You know, always is a solo event. Right. We give thanks. The early bird ticket, them a move fast.
Genesis VP, Topaz, Sam Caribbean Market, Eventbrite.com, or you can call me, come and deliver too. Yeah, the
That's
Yuga
right.
at work. The Yuga at work.
Well, and again, people, we are talking about DJ Ryan, Chef Garfield boat ride in the big year-to-year boat ride, sold out every year and thing like that. And me know say it thing nice, good music. Anybody who don't know really what go on, because me have a diverse set of people over here, you know, and thing. So DJ Ryan, icon in the thing, Chef Garfield, I'm a general and thing, Genesis Restaurant Link, RJ, big up and thing. And this is the big year-to-year big boat ride we leave out of Manhattan, right? A Manhattan, need to leave from again, right?
Leaving from Pier 15 in Manhattan.
Pier 15, tell them the date.
And it's, of course, Jamaica Independence. That's Sunday, August 3rd. All right, we're board 6 o'clock. We're shub off 7.
Sunday, August 3rd, and then I'm going to start board 6 o'clock, and the boat are should about 7. And them people, I don't know, fenke something. They're very precise, they're on time, and you know, they're very disciplined, which means it's also super safe and things. So you have to be on time. But tell them wait name so that when them go Eventbrite, them can know the name.
Just look out for Chef Garfield and DJ Ride, Jamaica Independence Cruise.
Jamaica Independence Cruise. Jamaica Independence Cruise. Jamaica Independence Cruise. Just put that in upon Eventbrite under New York and thing. And again, it's on August 3rd. And your DJ Roy say the big pretty boat I leave 6 o'clock. No, them start board at 6 o'clock on August 3rd, and the boat a should out thing. And the reason why it over there so is that Roy always turn up a thing, make it classy. It's a multi-floor, them say boat, but I don't really call it boat because it look more like a yacht to me, you know, type of thing.
And actually, the motto for the boat, which the owners have put together, they call it a floating venue.
A floating venue. Oh, I say somebody, I say, if he said it's sold out. No, it's not sold out. He said it always sell out, which is true. It's true. Every year, before it leave, you see him put up, you see something come online. Sorry, it's sold out. Every year. I mean, I go on. So it's not sold out yet. It's not sold out yet. He's just saying that it's an event. He's just very thankful because every year it sell out, right? So you can still get your tickets now and thing. And it's available at Eventbrite online. It's at Genesis Restaurant in Queens. It's at Topaz Restaurant in Brooklyn. And where else?
And Rocketone Seafood, Gale People's Choice Furniture, Sam's Caribbean Market, Cutting Edge Barber Shop. If you can't get one of this, just call me, man, 917-335-5331, and I will deliver. See it there.
You know, say you give me a good idea. You know, so me I go deliver Ragabash tickets to. Yeah, me I go.
No, but then you can put me as one of the delivery people. Them to you know can deliver for Raga too.
Hear ya? All right, my brother. That's a word, man. So me I go get my Ragabash flyer to you. Yeah.
As soon as possible, Bridget. Me just a check in.
All right, my brother. Large up, man. Safety and protection.
Much respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, man. Big year to hear something that DJ Ryan have, man, and Chef Garfield. People know about it, man. That's the premier boat ride for the year, you know. Always, you know. Good music and thing. Nice vibe and sitting, you know. Turn up. Anyway, we there juggle and thing a Ragashanti live on TikTok. Miss Cherry wash belly. Me have a mama last fit. Big up Miss Cherry, you know. Big up Miss Cherry, you know. She did and gone, but you don't know her legacy there, you know. And you don't know, so we rate and love Miss Cherry, yeah. We never fully appreciate, you know, certain things where, you know, where she did teach and certain, you know, certain stance where she did have and whatever. And that woman was a genius in so many ways. You have some people in them are genius and them don't know them are genius, you know. Because my mother dropped out of Mount Angus Primary School. She dropped out of primary school. So my mother never got high school. Certainly never got college and them something there. She never do nothing like that. But she did have some little principles and some little things where she lived by, where she learned from country, you know. Cause my mother come from up in the mountains, up in the hills, St. Mary, you know, in a mile gully, you know. You have a mile gully where everybody know in a Manchester or Clarendon where that one there, but that one is a mile gully, St. Mary. So you have to go up in the hill like proper country woman, you know. So my mother have some things where she tell you, you know, some of them, like seriously, mom, you know, type of thing, you know, like my mother say, yo, every bridge you build, them have to talk to the river mama. Them have to talk to the river mermaid. I make the river mermaid tell them what she want, and them have to give her what she want before them can build a bridge. And she say, yo, a river mama with a flat bridge, so she want a live fat woman. And them say, we can't get a live fat woman. And the river mama say, well, no bridge can't build. And my mother said, that is why in a bridge don't build in flat bridge. Oh, God. But big up Miss Cherry, you know. Big up Miss Cherry. Big up Miss Cherry. You understand? And my mother make me know, no, my born and grew at Kingston. I'm not going to make a look a video about this, you know, but my born and grew at Kingston, you know. Jubilee Hospital, my born. So I love Kingston and I defend the Kingston ladies. But Kingston ladies, I don't want to no vex. I don't want to no vex, but I'm going to say something now, and it's the truth. I mean, I want an argument from them about it. It's the truth. Kingston woman, you can't cook like country woman. Now, in general, Jamaican woman can cook. We know most Jamaican woman can cook. You have a certain percentage, then Bafan. Right? You have some Bafan Jamaican woman. But even though in general Jamaican women can cook, country woman food tastes better. Watch ya. Why country woman food tastes way better than Kingston woman food. And Kingston woman them can cook. And sometimes you see some woman at Kingston and them can cook. A country them come from. Country woman can cook better than Kingston woman. Me don't want an argument about it. Let me see if anybody a true Brina say a lie. Alright, hold on. Let me see. Alright, make a run a poll. Wait there now, make a run a poll. Hold on, where the poll sitting there? Alright, see there. Alright, see poll something I know. Should I make it a gift? You give a gift for vote, or should I just make it a quick poll, you know? Let me see something, you know. Okay. That in their favorite option 3 minutes. All right, edit. All right, so all right. This is awesome. Who are the better cook? All right. And then down here, so we have A, we're going to put Kingston. And down here, so we'll put country. No, I should do more of this, you know, like, you know, who have the better swipe? Yo! And then we're going to go by parish. No, we're going to have some fun with this. But let me just this now. Let me see, like, you know, country. All right. Save. We're just going to make it for 3 minutes. Standard. Viewers can cast multiple votes by sending gifts. Each gift counts as 1 vote. This type of vote can be used 6 times per day. We're not going to do that. We're going to just use the standard for now. All right? So we're going to use this one. All right. Okay. Create new. Oh, hold on there. All right. This should be interesting. All right. Okay. Create new. Should I make Uno can see it? Uno can see it? All right. Una go just vote, right? I'm telling you when it start. So this is just for 1 minute, right? So who are the better cook? So no, this not like the option when them a give you, so it's like, all right, them a give you like smiling emoji or the bawling emoji, right? So in order to use the smiling emoji or the bawling emoji, we're gonna say Kingston woman are the better cook, right? So if you agree with that, you put a smiling emoji. If you disagree with that, you put a bawling emoji, right? So remember, you could have put 200 emoji there, the monk like a count one for each person, right? So Kingston woman cook better than country woman, right? If you agree, you put a smiling emoji. If you disagree, you put a bawling emoji, all right? Kingston woman, no, I'm not ready yet, watch ya, I'm not ready yet, right? Kingston woman cook better than country woman, right? Okay, here we go. I'm going to give me the countdown. Go! Right? Kingston woman cook better than country woman. If you agree, put the smiling emoji. If you disagree, put the bawling emoji. All right. And we go. 40 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. And the votes are coming in. 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 Kingston woman cook better than country woman, right? Smiling emoji say you agree. Bawling emoji say you disagree. The vote never come in. Come on, let's go. But now take no side in that one. I'm done telling you what I think already and think. 14 seconds, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, because well, no man, I'm more than that I want to vote, But anyway, I'm seeing here that it's 95 to 41. So what it doing? You may have vote 10 million times, but it account each person for one. Yeah. So 95 to 41 with the bawling emoji win. So country woman cook better than Kingston woman. Country woman a better cook than Kingston woman. Right? I remember, Kingston ladies, Raga loves you. Raga love you, And a Kingston me born and grow. So you don't know, say, but you say country. Let me tell you, man, no. It's a different thing now when it comes to sort out. All right? So we're going to run one now. Kingston woman sort out better than country woman sort out. Smiling emoji if you agree. Bawling emoji if you disagree. Kingston woman sort out better than country woman sort out. Smiling emoji if you agree. Bawling emoji if you disagree. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! 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 All right, yes. Go! Wait. What? No, man, that one neck and neck. This neck and neck. I wish I could have seen this. Yes. No, that race are tight, people. 33 seconds to go. The race are tight. We're about even. Oh, bawling emoji start take the lead right now. Bawling emoji start take the lead right now. Watch ya. Oh, bawling emoji a pull away, a pull away. Little bit, not by 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. I'm telling you what I say 67 to 48. Bawling emoji a lead. Bawling emoji lead. 69 to 48. Now, I don't know how TikTok check these because I will heap on vote, you know, but it only have 69 to 48 for say country woman sort out that the better sort out compared to Kingston woman sort. No, that me don't know about that. Me don't know about that part there. Right? Because Kingston woman know the something them, you know. Country, well, things kind of change right now, you know. Because what country was in the part is not the same thing. Good night, Wagwan.
Them now do the thing right now, brother.
Eh?
Them need to click on the emoji instead of putting in the chat.
Them need for do what?
Click on the emoji instead of typing it in the chat. Me I echo.
We click on the emoji where?
When it come up on the screen, they need to click on it instead of like typing it in the chat.
Oh, so wait. So when me I run it, them can't see it.
Yeah, we can see it.
But all meetings say them couldn't see it.
No, man, we can see it.
All right. So what you see it by your phone when me I run it?
Down at the bottom, right?
Down at the bottom.
Screen, guys, type on the actual emoji. So the vote can register.
All right then. So it show down at the bottom of the phone when me I run the poll, right?
Yes.
And at that them for click. Them not for put it in the chat. Them for click.
Right now, they register when they click into the chat.
All right.
Come up with the one
Brother, pick up yourself.
Big up yourself too, you know. It goes some man. All right. Thanks for telling me that, here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool. All right, people. You just hear that. Me never know say I see it. Come here, wonder say why would them have this thing here and me not see it. All right. So yeah, I could do a quick one again. All right. We're gonna do a quick one again, and then we're gonna do who have the better sort out again. All right. Kingston woman them or country woman. If you say now we're gonna say Kingston woman have the better sort out. If you agree, you click the smiling emoji. I remember, you know, the lady said it in on the phone. All right, well, I'm gonna see something, right? We're not gonna see it on the phone. So don't type it in at the chat. You have to tap it on the phone. Wanna see it? You say it down at the bottom, so you have to look for it now. All right? Oh, I mean, you can't see it. Right? So I'm gonna start it now. All right? Well, all right? So Kingston woman can start out better than country woman. If you agree, you touch a smiling emoji. If you disagree, you touch a bawling emoji. All right? And she said when it starts, you not go see it. So let's go. Remember now, it's not want to put in the chat. I want to touch on the voting thing. All right. So I'm about to start. You have to look for it now, you know. Boom, it start. Let's go. Remember, you have to touch it on the screen. You see, look like you really a touch the right thing. Watch your someone on still you have to touch it on the screen. You have to touch it on the screen. Right? Watch ya. That what you see it? Yes, man. What? Watch bawling emoji. No, man, the race tight again, you know. Oh, hold on, no, tight. Hold on there. We have about 26 seconds left, you know. Remember, you have to touch the emoji on the screen. We learned something of them. Whoa, watch your bawling emoji I take off. Oh, watch your bawling emoji I take off. You know, say it start at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, bawling emoji win again. 153 to 102. Let me press stop here, so probably you can't see it there. The results are in 153 bawling emoji to 102. The verdict is out. The audience has spoken, right? And they're basically saying that country woman sort out is way better than Kingston woman sort out. That is what they say. That is what the vote is. That what the vote come out to be. And thing, such is it, and whatever. So that is the decision for today. It look like when on a vote pan them, something that still come out in our chat, but we still have to touch it like when I'm saying. Anyway, we had some fun there, didn't we? Now, I love them little lambs out there, you know. I'm going to figure out how to do the other poll, you know, and like post it on the wall and thing, you know.
Hi, good night.
See, somebody posts a country girls are more daring. Really?
Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you. Wagwan.
I'm here.
You are?
Yes, I'm a bit shy, but I have like a mix up to give you.
Yeah, man. Send on, man. We hear with your good voice. Can't believe you keep that voice there for me. Don't do it again, sure.
Alright, so boy Raga, man wicked but just one of them thing they but we still love them same way, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm used to being in a relationship where people always take my man. So there was an instant
You
when I was
used
in
to
my
being in
prime.
a relationship where people always attack your man.
Yes.
Okay.
So it was an instant when I was in my early 20s now.
Mm-hmm.
So I met this guy, he was a family friend and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
And we got close and thing.
Mm-hmm.
So it happened to be that he was with somebody else.
Okay.
So what happened is that getting closer and everything and all of that, we got into a relationship and all of that. So I know that he was with the person, but man full of whole heap of promises and all of that, brother, me tell you, say, the man promised me, you don't call it to the world.
Well, and so you know say him did there with somebody else?
Yes.
But him promised you the world.
Yeah, like when I say, say, man, I go there for whatever. Man stay already. When them start sweet talk, we tell they say, yeah, say, man, I know they part no good and whatever. But being the young and naive person that I was, I was like, okay, let me see what this for. Because as I stated, I've never talked to somebody that has somebody before. Always people take my man.
Always people take it. Well, go on. Yeah.
So it happened that, we were there and thing and, for a few years, it was a big back and forth and then me say like it never make no sense. So I'm like, no, this not make no sense. So I started talking to somebody else, which was an high school friend of mine. And then I was sneaking around doing it. So he didn't know, but for some strange reason, him put somebody in the community to start watch me now. Yes, so it ended up that me used to go back and forth between where he lived and where the other person lived. I was going back and forth. And then there was this time, I'm not sure, I was talking outside my yard and then 2 days after him called me and said, where you there? I said, me there home. And him said, okay, but then tell me never there home, me there, the side man yard. So it ended up that me come home back now and me in the house and he call me and think me never had an answer him and nothing. So somebody let him in the yard because you can literally just pull the grill and just come in. So him come inside. So I was on the phone with the person. And it happened that me just feel somebody over me, I choke me rock and me I said, Jesus Christ.
I choke you?
Yes.
But which yard did it at this point when he choke you?
I was at my mom's house, which that's where he lives in that community as well.
Oh, okay. So
so he normally comes there and all of that, so everybody know him.
Oh, so this is 2 days after him did call you, but you did there the Bonaman yard and tell him say the devil woman thing. 2 days. Yes, 2 days after. Yes. And him start choke you.
Me I tell you, so the man start choke me. Me I tell you, say no man start choke me and things. So I say, all right, then fine. So it ended up that me and the next guy, we end up moving together and things. Somebody.
You and the side man, you moving to with the side man?
Yes, because me fed up, brother. Me tell you, me fed up at the man.
No, what you did fed up with him, apart from the choke?
Because it's like, all right, so may I give myself to this man, right?
Yeah.
But you're still with that person and you're telling all of them something.
Okay, so you're fed up with him with the other woman where him did have even before him there with you. And think and promise you all of these things and whatever.
Exactly.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
Yeah. So now it ended up that I start talking to the other guy now and me just forget about him and thing. Him still call and thing, but you ignore and whatever. So me and the next guy, me and the side man become the main man now. So it end up that things might have work out for me and him. That's a whole different story. So it end up that him come back in the picture now, but him still have him woman.
When you say him come back in that picture, it end up that
Yes,
you
him
start
come back.
taking back again, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So is it that you start born the side man now who did become the main man? Talk true.
No, him just become back the main man after because it was a case where the side man is no longer there. May just say it not work out.
Okay, all right then, cool.
Yes.
Okay.
So now me and him start back again. So you know, Raga say one day the man call me and say him have something to tell me. So me say, what is it? Him say him can't tell me over the phone. See me when he tell me. So me say, all right then, no problem. So one night we end up go one party. So so we are go drink and thing and feel nice. So
right.
we are wait now, we out of the car and wait and thing. So it remind me say him if he say tell me something. So me say, where do you have to tell me where do you? Him say he did ya if I'm but and a if I'm but. So Raga man tell me say he married.
When he married?
He married to the same girl we not talk to. He married like about a month after we start deal back. Yes.
Wow. So when you hear that now, what was your reaction?
Oh God, man. I tell him something. Me tell him some maybe go. Raga, me can't tell him the things that me tell him over the
deep
the
up
night.
under him down. You talk, you class him up and be sitting down.
I tell you, Raga. So I say, all right, then him come back and make him come home after a party. Me, me start cussing and whatever. I call if for one the next day, I call and all of that and whatever. So, like a woman's scarring, that's how I felt.
Right.
So I'm like, okay. And, me going and me thinking, I say, I have to do him something, Raga. I have to do him something. Raga, for true vengeance.
Yeah, what you do?
So, I say, all right then. Him come back around and him do what he's supposed to do and all of that.
Meaning what?
I say, all right then. And we did it.
No, when they say come back.
Nice, no.
What? When they say come back, Brown, and I do what I'm supposed to do.
No, me take him back. Me tell him say, okay then, we'll work this out then. We'll work this out.
Okay.
So, you go so no Raga, I go so box now and in the day we always go party and things. So there is this other guy, know him long time, right?
Yeah.
I'm like 5 years his senior. So, me see him and thing. I always know him. I always talk to him and thing. So we kind of did get close, but it wasn't that close where we were together.
Right.
But then people in the community start talk, say, oh, me and him there. And me tell say, him have him watch dog them, but they didn't watch me. So one day him come to me and say, you the guy there? So me I say, no, not like that. I must say, okay, or whatever. So me I say, then if you have them, I say, me not the guy. They might as well go talk to the guy then.
Oh Lord. Yeah. So I did what?
So me and the guy start dealing with Raga and thing. Him carry him say him bring out him side chick now in a Raga. Cause him bring out him side chick in a Ph.D. Cause no one not even know.
Oh, yes, I do that.
The one I married, the same one, me take back on everything. The vengeance spirit talking at me now, so the demon come out.
No, so hold on. So after him tell you say him married now and him draw back for you now, and you and him start deal now, you say him no know say you is now him side chick now. That you are say when you start deal with the other man, you are say him no know say you is now him side chick.
Yes. So technically now, the married one, I will become the side chick now, but him no know say me I talk to somebody else, the person.
No, the married man I go become the side man now, yeah, say.
Yes.
But you are say the married man don't know say you is now him him no know say you you use a term a while ago. No,
Let me clear it up.
no. I understand what you're saying, but it's a terminology is just interesting. But anyway, go on now. So you deal with the other youth then now and thing, and him no know say him become the side man now. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
become the side man. No.
Yeah.
So what happened is that the side man, him know a side man are everything, you know. So he must say side man I'm friend. But in fact the side man is not in friend because I'm me and the side man they know. So even like if we go party, him bring the side man. Cause he might use the side man as sham to say I'm me and the side man then because sometimes the wife will send out fear family member them with him. So you know say if we go a party or something, the side man that did it, but them time the side man I take over for him work.
So him I use the side man as shield for full fame wife. He say you there with the side man.
Yes.
Right the whole time. But him no know say you really know there with the side man.
Exactly.
So at that time then you know, and you know, just for understand the fullness I think is that, you know, you and him did still a do so, but he do it with the side man too.
Exactly.
So you when you go out with the two man them who you do it with and the side man no. Oh okay. Okay, all right. Moving right along. Yeah.
Yeah, so there was this day now. So me and the side man get really close now and everything. And you know me and him talk about the future. We I say, yeah man, him have to go on and things.
So what I say, all this time the side man I play along with him brethren, you know, act like him and him a friend. And like him I do him friend a favor, I don't know say the side okay, the whole time. So the side man I play him too.
Yes.
Okay, go on ta, yeah.
So now me and the side man we are plan out everything because the married man, he was to go away. So we are say, all right then, when him gone, you take over and whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that was it. So it ended up that before him go away, for some strange reason me and me yard no because the side man say, all right then him are moving with me and everything. No.
Yeah.
So the main man call me one day now and say, yes, or this, yes, or that, whatever. So me I say, what you talk about? Say me know say you and you there. And you carry the money in my car. And whatever. So me I say, okay. So me I say, me don't know what you talk about because me go be like, Shaggy, it wasn't me.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Like it was, no, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And he start course and whatever. So me have to end up go down and him a talk to me. Me say, Raga, at the first me see one big man ball.
Wow.
The man said me wicked.
Can you go take him friend and then there with him friend and did I play him, make him and you convince
But you play, he not realize that. So me I said to him, say you played with my feelings as well.
Yeah, because he moved cool upon you too. Yeah.
So it was like that. The man tripping feel it me down. And so that's what I tell you, say I'm paid things going on. I got beer things.
Jano. So him did end up go foreign do one thing and then, you know.
Yeah, him go away and you know me say good.
Well, I'm gonna say something to you now, and this is interesting. And tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. And then after him go away, you and the side man were there with you and him left after that.
No, we were married.
Wanna end up married?
Yes.
I'm with the backside. Okay then. Okay, at this near mix up, right? Okay, I wanna end up married and have kids.
Yeah, we have a talk together.
Oh wow. What a okay. All right. No, I wonder. This is one of them mix up that when I say, yo, this thing got layers, you know? It's got layers. You have to process this in different layers.
It's a lot.
Yeah, man, different stages and different layers, I think. Big up yourself here.
You too, Raga.
Yeah, man, enough blessing. Thanks for sharing. Appreciate it.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Okay. We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we reach a conclusion. You can reach a conclusion and thing, but when when that mix up that while I can get someone to eat it, though. All right? Careful on that, judge, though. Remember the things that Una used to do. Okay? Don't forget them. Don't forget what Una used to do, the things that Una used to do. Don't forget how Una make people ball to, though. Don't forget the cool something that Una do, one of the things that Una did have to do. But remember the impact where it did have on the people Una do it to. Don't forget to Una make people ball to. Don't forget Una make people get crushed and depressed and down and thing and mash up people life. Don't forget them something there. Do not forget them something there. Okay? Careful Una quick for judge and forget what Una did do. All right? Remember, me might not know any, but God know and God I go watching and I watch on a comment and I say, I remember what I want to do and thing. I want to not go up in the line for going to heaven at the pearly gate. God I go say, remember the night when you had done the woman and thing and you post so and so in a Raga chat. Go talk to St. Peter. Go talk to St. Peter because you know move right. Okay. Well, your shirt look good for your Raga. I call them a crush shirt them. You know them beach shirt them? I love them, you see. I just buy a woolly for them. different color. But I probably have 10 white one. Yes, I want to see me wear the white shirt and I believe I see them one. I have a woolly for the white one. And them nice and light and just comfortable. And you don't have to iron them. And the crush, you see, if you can't see the little crush, look a crush thing that type of thing. Them very comfy and them breathe easy, Yeah, man, nice little Hawaii shirt, linen shirt. Yeah. As a big, nice man. Jamaicans have like the strangest term. He's a big, nice man. Yeah, he's a big, nice. Okay. Chromatic, I'm gonna block you. Chromatic, I'm gonna block you. New story. No, Chromatic, somebody talk. I'm going to go in a second for talk to Chromatic. Remember me telling you? Give me a second. Tell Chromatic Wagwan. Tell Chromatic Wagwan because you tell somebody to tell Chromatic Wagwan what them for do and what them not for do. All right, moving right along. Hello?
Hey, Raga, what's up?
So I kind of like your name.
Yeah, we have the same last name, man.
Yeah, me see, but your name Stewie, one girl. All right. Yeah, what go down?
I'm watching your lap.
I don't know what you're doing, but you go like we hear you and then we're not hearing, and we hear you and then we're not hearing.
Let me get my earpiece. Is it better now?
Yeah, go and talk now, make we see.
Yeah. So my friends I used to come at my house and we come and eat and sometimes they say I have water for him ends and we come all a shower and we're good like that. Till all of a sudden he stop link me, so I say, like, what? So one day I call him and I say, oh, go on, I don't see you link me now or nothing again, what go on? He said to me, say, boy, I can't manage your feelings because when they come with me, they might feel some type of way and, I said, okay, I understand, that's cool. They can still link me because we're friends, right? All right, one day I come down to my yard and him say, he must have no water on our yard and him go chill with me for the day and I say, all right, cool. When he come and take over my remote and him watch what I watch on Netflix. Because me is a YouTube fan, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Watch live and all of them something there.
Right.
So him did it till night. Did they bother me saying, you want me to do a thing? And I say, yo, sure, you can manage this.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I say, all right. Today me I'm a go on, start out and me a be me like a naughty self, be spontaneous and all of that.
So you and him are sat out and
Yeah.
you say you
Him a the type of, I know. Go ahead.
No, you say you and him are sat out and you be a little nasty self and spontaneous and thing. Meaning you do look a freaky things, right?
No, really not too freaky.
Not
But
too
I get
freaky.
some crush eyes and you know, tease up your nipples them and
That's not nasty. But I know what you mean by nasty. Like, you know, you mix it up. You mix it up. Yeah, mix it. So you get some crush ice and thing and use the crush ice and bite up him nipples with the ice crushing and you want Jesus, your body, man. So, yeah.
Rub it on in a ties and them place there.
Jesus.
See them away, make him a boss.
Jesus. Yes, man.
That teaching a boy a thing, you know, so.
Yeah, school him.
Stabbing. Yeah, I say, oh, no, I know so it go.
I know so it go. This ramming thing, no.
Yeah,
no.
Me take over.
Take over and you ice him.
I know, say me take over and just straddle boy and I do a thing and sit and
yeah, you go up on top, you straddle him and thing, yeah?
Yeah, so me I use the thing, I drape him up, you know?
Yeah, do what?
Me I use the thing, I drape him up, I work the Kegel muscles.
I work the Kegel muscle, so, you use something there and I drape him up and thing, so you're not just a bounce, you give him all kind of style, you mix it up on him and thing. Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the boy give me 2 bitch slap and say, I say, Mama, and I say, what? And I wonder if like a muscle contract or something, you understand?
Yeah.
Give me 2 slap.
What you mean 2 slap? Where him slap you? Where him slap you? Now your face up. By your tie, 2 bitch licking you. Yeah. And when you say when he give you the bitch lick, then when you say what?
Me say, what I'm to your ear, Mama, me say what? He say, how you learn that from? Me say, me hear me ball out YouTube. Come in the room, what else to tell this boy?
Eh.
Me just say YouTube. Raga, I couldn't wait for the start out done for laugh. Me weak.
But what you did I do with catch him off guard? So what you did I do? Edge it, curl it, or you did I slant it?
No, me use the key, they work the Kegel muscles. Like, you know, grip him rhythmatically and them something there.
Oh, I think I know what you're referring to. And for those of you women who don't know how to do this, you have some women, well, most of the time women do it, I have read, them come up at the top first. And something will work if the woman flat down. She will come up at the top first.
Yep.
And it look like she not move, you know. But you, the man, feel things are move. And what you're feeling there is almost like a suction thing, a grab you. I grab you and I release you, but you know, look like she move, you know. Now, no for no woman who not listen to this, who don't know them style. The first one I hear about them thing, right? And again, usually the woman them who bad pan it, them don't go right down. When them go right down and don't do it, them always come up some at the top. Up at the top. And then it look like them now move.
That thing is sensitive around the head, right?
And then when them can't do, sometimes it involves breathing and there's this thing where them do or whatever, it will drive a man crazy. Ladies,
that's what happened.
If you don't know how to do that something there, you have to be careful though, because any man you can do it, them will take set pound and walk and kill on like in a Lifetime movie. So you have to know what you do. You have to know who you do it with and whatever. So, but if you want to lock a man, you learn that something the way you hear she talk about here. And think, when a woman do that to you good and whatever, when you're a man and you're done, you're convinced she will be you. She tie you.
Yeah, one man tell me say me be with him.
Yeah, that time a good that grip something there, it feel like a vacuum and thing and whatever, yeah? Yeah. Me read about these things, so I know exactly what I talk about. Yeah, go on.
It's a young girl him there with, you know.
You don't know nobody young girl. What they can do? They don't know them that's sitting there, man. They don't know them that's something. Me not like no, you see that something. Hold on, you see that something they do? Me not gonna knock him for slap you and whatever, you know, because listen to me. Every man me know who gets something unusual like that and it catch him off guard. Him end up think all kind of things like, what the hell? Like, what just happened? Like, what should I do? What was that? And whatever. Because it is unusual and how it feel is out of this world. Worse if she do it, the woman do it. Oh, there's another thing. And something if you just start and the woman do it, it not gonna have the same feeling. Yeah, the woman have to know when to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the woman and the woman them who know to do it, them know when, like a build up at a certain point and right this of them have you. And things. So me don't know if you explain that part. There's a woman who would have to tell you, but them know there's a certain time when them know to do it and say I know to do it and whatever. But it's a thing where we you know really know what go on and it catch you off guard and thing. Yeah, man, it will turn you in an idiot, man, and make you there and think like, what just happened? Type of thing, yeah.
That's what happened because me end up I feel like kind of cut back.
Yeah, man, that a text set start out, man. That a text set work, man. Yeah, it's a text set why in your game, you know. You have to understand that. No, a reasonable mind must know that you give a man that kind of wine. Him go text it by you, man. Him go text it by you, man. You have to be careful.
Man.
Yeah. So hold on. I want you to teach me something now, you know, because you know you say him been around you and thing and whatever about it. You know what? You knew all along that him like you like that, don't?
Yes. But because me have this thing say me not date taxi man because me know taxi man lifestyle.
Yeah.
Like, you know, so it's not my thing to get involved, get another space then.
Yeah.
But me as a girl like this also, I'm a nudist.
Oh.
Once I'm in the house, I'm gonna be naked.
Oh.
Yeah. I just made that. Me just like my space. That's me.
Oh.
So if somebody come at my house right now, even though me talk to you, they have to wait because I can put on clothes before me. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe.
Oh, but you never did naked around him.
No, but maybe if he comes around, because if I'm not naked, I'm practically naked because me in some shots without undies because I tend to go without quite as often because I think that's better.
Hear my other question though. Well, hear my other question. So like enough time man thinks when them draft for a woman and thing and the woman end up just all right, come make her do it. Enough man foolishly thinks him convince her at that moment to do it and that's why she do it. Without knowing that most of the time woman know long before say, you know, some I think for run it for him and thing. But they never tell the man, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, so when you did decide, say, you know, so I'm gonna put it on him, but you know, in a female, you know, him think when he moved to you, you do it. But me know, I'm pretty much sure, say, you know, so I put one on him. About when you did a pre that.
You know, so after you stop linking me, I say, yo, you know, like seriously? When you tell me say, yo, and they feel some kind of way because I'm a human and da. I say, all right. Then cool. Call it what you will.
Okay.
But then, because I wasn't seeing anybody, because I'm into toys. I just me and my toy, them roll.
Right.
Nah, left a rose.
Okay, you have your rose. I want to run the place out then. I really the rose I run the place or something else.
Rose.
Well, tell me something. Okay, fine. There are thousands of toys out there for women. There are thousands of vibrators, there are thousands of dildos, there are thousands. What is it about the rose why this thing I take off? So is it just a fad or there is something about it where really make it special? What is it?
All right. I can speak on my behalf for myself because I'm always into toys. But I have a philosophy. I don't insert anything in me.
Right, okay.
If I'm inserting, it's going to be a dick, a real dick.
Right.
But I ain't inserting no plastic in me. So when the rose came out, I said, all right, I'm going to try it. And it's not the norm for me to experience squirting while having sex.
Mm-hmm.
But with the rose, Raga, I tell you, say, in a less than 2, it's like a fire hydrant burst.
What is it about it? Is it the texture? Is it the way it
It's the
vibrates?
texture and it's the petals where it vibrates.
The
It has
petal?
10 speed. It
Yeah.
has some petals and it has 10 speeds.
Well, from what I have heard, right, is that the 10 speed don't even matter because most women don't even use the top speed.
I use 1 or 2.
You use 1 or 2. So I don't think it's a speed, right? But
It's
what
not the
about
speed, but it's the petal and how it feels.
how it feel?
Yes. You have a sensitivity to it. Like it feels like maybe a warm lip. So the lips, like, you know?
Oh, you know, you're not the first woman said that to me. The woman them explain and I said, Raga. Well, the other thing them say, it vibrates different than the older one. Them, it's not about aggression.
Yeah.
Them say it vibrate, but it has a softness to the vibration. We're still sturdy and firm, but them say it have a softness to it. What that mean for no, I don't know. But then what they say also is that the texture of it, them say the texture of it is just the nowadays one them, you know, them say the texture just feels right and it rests right and thing. Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
They got new and improve on them, so
Last question. Given that you're a toys person, you know, self-acclaimed and thing, and you're comfortable with your thing, with you, is there some men think that there is a danger in, you know, that women can experience certain feelings from toys that they will never be able to experience from men, and that they can become so attached or sometimes, you know, obsessed with or addicted to what they get from the toy that they can't get from the men, to the point where the men can be like, you know, they're like, you know, you don't really need them, or like, you know, the interest in them, you know, is diminished or decreased based on their inability to do what the toys can do. Have you ever experienced any of those dynamics?
All right, so from my personal experience then, right?
Yeah.
With men are inconsistent. You can always depend on your toy to do, you know?
Yeah.
To give you that buzz.
Yeah.
But then again, a friend, because I'm always boasting about my toys, putting them on my status and all of that. And someone sent me a clip about losing the sensitivity in, or, you know,
yeah,
because of the toy.
Right.
And I read up on it, and it can be true, because I had a problem with one of my toy one day that I'm addicted to.
Right.
A particular rose.
Right.
And for some reason it stopped work. I think me when they go mad. Like,
wow.
Normally I would go in the shower after shaving. I'd use my hand to play with myself and, you know, release myself.
Right.
And on that particular morning, I think I was supposed to go somewhere at a particular time.
Uh-huh.
And I am so adamant that before I leave home, I'm going to relieve myself.
Right, right, right.
And it takes like forever. It gives me a headache. I couldn't use my hand. And it's because I solely depend on the toy.
Oh, okay.
So my hands is like a waste of time. It never do not care what me I tried. It wasn't working out for me that morning. Over an hour, I said, Jesus, this is not
wow.
good. But then I resort to another toy, and then, you know, I got relieved. And I said, no.
No, but what I'm saying is that given that you appreciate getting that release and the subsequent relaxation or feeling of elation after you do it in the morning before you leave and things, but you know, the inconsistency that you say in men, it sounds to me like a man can never, you know, be like a viable substitute to the toy.
All right. You have most persons don't take like pride in what they do. You have some men that are cunnilingus king then, right? You know, their aim is to please the woman at all costs.
Right.
So if I find somebody like that, then fine, that somebody will be able to please me. But if somebody that just want to come and beat you up, and it's not gonna work.
Not gonna work. Okay.
It's not gonna work, because with the toy you don't feel any form of pain. It's just straight pleasure.
But are you somebody, for example, who would want some sort of stimulation, daily?
No.
Oh, okay.
Most people would say I'm mixed. I'm kind of cool like, but I don't have that high libido like what most person would have thought.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
It
okay.
all depends on me when I want to do.
And in general, is that fairly often?
It all depends. Depends on my mood.
Mood, okay. It's
It
mood.
depends on my mood because sometimes I be here because I work from home,
Right.
and sometimes I'll do that 3 or 4 times for the day. I play it myself.
3 or 4 times for the day?
Yeah. Sometimes a whole week pass me. I say, no man, this is not safe.
You mean you doing it so much?
Yeah, I said sometimes I do it like 4 times for one day.
For one day, but you said sometimes
sometimes
a
you
week.
have days when a week I'm gonna touch myself.
Right. Okay. All right, interesting. Oh, thanks for educating us and sharing with us.
I think the squirting excites me though. Just as though it excites so many, it excites me.
But squirting is rare though, right? You know that, right?
I know.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of women want to squirt, but most women would never squirt.
Well, the first time I experienced squirting, I was using a toy. It was a bullet.
Right.
And I had a partner then. And we were doing that. And I said, I was pushing him off, telling him, stop, it's gonna, me feel like we go pee. And him I said, no, make it come. And he was there doing this thing, and then me just this thing like a fountain, this start come up on me. I said,
right.
You mess up the bed.
Well, I mean, that's the other thing too that some people don't appreciate, that people talk about squirting and they don't seem to realize squirting is not coming.
No, it's not coming.
It's not coming.
It's not pee.
And it's not pee.
No.
Right. It's a different thing.
A lot of women experience squirting and not know, because they'll be during intercourse they will say, stop, I want to pee. But it's not pee. Sometimes it's when they reach an inner G spot, sometimes you're about to squirt.
Yeah, but sometimes some women want to pee.
Yeah, sometimes some of us want to
yeah, some women want to pee. But you're right. But I just wanted to make the point, because some people think when you say squirting and all of that's coming out, some people think like that is, a woman having an orgasm, and sometimes a woman can have it at the same time that they're squirting. Sometimes, but it's really two different substances though. Okay, just so people know. And to my point is that squirting, it wet up a place. Wet up a place. Some people it's just a little fountain, but some people it's just like it's gushing, whatever. And most women will never squirt. It's just, I don't know if it's a biology thing or whatever. It just not gonna happen, Anyway, blessings for the little meds here.
Alright, big up yourself. Call back again.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. All right, see you.
Comments are burn up.
Yeah, me notice. Still with big up yourself, love and blessings here. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, man, me soon get busy in I chat and thing. But you see them local big people reasoning, And you see all the reasoning, we're talking about that area there, but it's the subject matter is that area there. But you see it was done in a tasteful way, no pun intended with the word taste. But you know what I mean, right? It's and you see how me and her just align and sync in her reasoning, and she just know how far to go, what she for say and what she not for say. I saw it for go, and it can, can still be presented on the show and thing, but it no. She never say no graphic or raw, whatever, but she get her point across. She got all her points across, and it was clear, and she's clearly, mature and comfortable in herself. To just say what she like and what she don't like and what she do and things like that. But for the purpose of the show, she talked about a whole bunch of saucy, edgy things and stuff where enough people don't want to talk about and whatever. But she talked about it in a way, and her delivery was just appropriate, and you know, I saw it for go, you know. Yeah. Diva girl, Raga, you love them talk there. You are Virgo. Ooh. Yeah. No, I love them meds there, you know. Me not a world, man. Me not a meds there, you know. Yeah, so if you juggle with me, I can juggle this, so you see me? Yeah. Yeah. You juggle with me. You can go this, so cause you know, you not go this to me, I carry you down this, so too, you know. Not gonna rush you, you know. Guide you down this. So. Yeah. We all have one life to live. Enjoy it. Big up. All right. I noticed, I see somebody said the bubble gum come back, and I say someone I swear by the rose and things. Somebody say she has read, and big up all the readers here. As one reader to my fellow readers, good. You know, we belong in a library because we read. Don't. All right, good. So big up all of my readers, all of my fellow readers, and my thing large upon itself. But somebody post and say the suction upon the rose. So the rose has a suction element to it. Yeah, see that? I have read it's the suction raga. Oh. Forgive me. I didn't know that. I didn't know that the rose. I didn't. What? Somebody said like a moan. That's interesting. Okay. What are the best? We know that the rose is up there right now, but what are the trending vibrators? What are the ones that are doing well out there? You know, what are the names of the real good vibrators that are in the league of the rose and so forth? What are the names? One name Wand. Yeah, well, Rose. I know Rose. Oh, a whole bunch of people saying Wand. Look like Diva, so I must buy her a rose for your birthday. I'll buy you a rose. Wand must. Well, this one called a wand is the bullet they bought long time, and no enough woman said them. Big up who have the bullet, but just so you know, ladies, and I'm just telling you what women are saying. A lot of women who do that into the bullet, they have migrated to the rose. And them have nothing against the bullet, but them openly and say, no, sir, don't do the bullet. Bullet nothing go on for bullet anymore. This is what a lot of women are saying. Somebody say finger bunny. See, two people say finger bunny. Never heard of that one. Finger bunny. See, somebody say bullet can't do nothing. Another person say bullet retire. See there? You see me telling us, you say no lie, me I tell. The rabbit used to run the place though. The rabbit used to run the place, you know. But the rose are lead right you know, man. Let me see what. So you have the wand. Somebody did say the bubble gum, but one person mentioned that. I don't know what a steel rose. See that the rabbit, but the rose is the boss. Somebody said the tongue rose, whatever that is. Why look like the rose are going? The rose again. You know, so I'm going to buy a rose and bring on the show. Yes, man. I'm going to buy a rose and bring the rose on the show. I will have a reasoning about it and thing, you know? You can't. Oh, no, I'm just realizing that there are different types of rose. Oh, we have to be careful because TikTok could not allow them something. No, I'm realizing that tonight. Like, say, you know. Okay. No, I'll check because I hear that it's in TikTok shop anyway. No, you see with TikTok, what I realize with TikTok, there's some things you can't do. You just can't go too far, but it's context, you know? It's context. You know, it's context, so. So somebody said there are like 3 kinds. What are we? You know that CBS? Okay. You know, so me I go check out. Okay. All right. Somebody said 2 kinds she own, and the next person said there's 3 different kinds. A bunch of people are asked me for one for them birthday. Here we are going. When you come to Ragabash, this is what I'm gonna do. When you come to Ragabash, right, you're gonna automatically be entered in a drawing. All ticket holder will have the option of being entered in a drawing for whatever the best rose is. I'm going to research this and find out what the best rose is, and give them at the door. What you think? I'm going to give a rose at the door, sir? You realize that the rose is way more expensive than the cheapest ticket for coming to Ragabash, which is $40. Are you out of your damn mind? What you give away some? Nah, we're going to about like 2 or 3. Whatever. You know, hear somebody say, yeah, man, just get them out the door. You know, I think. But we get the money from because from what I know, they're not cheap. So rose cheap on Amazon. Yeah, but somebody said don't buy it off of Amazon, buy it off of Adam and Eve or wherever it was. Yeah, but I give it like say 5, you know? Wait, it's $15 for the rose? Really? No, because I know a site that that deal with these things. All right, let me see some. I think it's what name? We Vibe? Are We Vibe it name? We Vibe. We Vibe. We Vibe. We Vibe. We Vibe official site. Yeah. If you don't look on a site named We Vibe, don't ask me how I know this, okay? Right? Just look on a site named We Vibe. Now, listen to me now. The ladies, I know no rules, you know, I'm just telling you, women talk to me, you know, women share with me, okay? And these toys they're highly recommended. But if you go over there and look on the price, $219, $179, $169, $159. There's a $85 one, $169, $109, $99, $129, $129. The Golden Moment Connection, that is a package of 2, that is $289. But you see the prices, right? $229. So you see where I just thought the rose would have been up there. I never know I saw the rose cheap. But from what I've learned about these, you know, again, that texture thing, women, they swear by the ones on We Vibe with the texture. They swear by it. And they have this dual fold thing. So you can, like, if this is the toy, you know those are common, but they go in on both sides. So it's stimulating up here, but it's also stimulating inside here where the G spot is, the Grafenberg spot, which is right behind. It's the same muscle that leads to, the C thing on the outside, okay? So that whole area right there, so you have this, that is stimulating both. And, from what I've read, like a man who, or anybody who good pan them swiping, them know about that something there. Dealing with the top, but inserting and doing some appropriate pressure, stimulation to the inside. So these toys at We Vibe, but you see the price again. The top one is $219, then $179, $169. So I just thought the rose was in that same price range because that is the price for. Well, I guess some of the women I know, and then some of the women who are telling me these things, they can be a little bougie, Yeah, the ones who are telling me they were a little, this kind of like, these educated women who. So it's not surprising that they know those. But what I'm hearing is that you have these cheaper ones out there. So we'll see. We'll see, like, what is what. All right, listen, follow me. Follow me. If you're not following me right now, follow me. All right, let me see. So the sites that are recommended, Adam and Eve and Pink Cherry. But okay, I'm going to have about 4 or 5 that we're going to give away, and I will be the one giving them away because, I'll enjoy that drama or whatever. So as from tonight, let it be understood that, we're going to have the ticket set away where, you can put in your little piece of the ticket and we will give away about 4 or 5 of those on the night of Ragabash, okay? So you can win that, Okay. When and where is Ragabash? Ragabash is at Amazura, right? In Queens. September 20th, Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party, Ragabash. All right, Amazura, Queens. Saturday, September 20th, lock the date, save the date, lock the date. Tickets are available on Eventbrite already, and physical tickets will be available at different locations across New York City and in North Jersey. Okay? And anybody who want me to mail tickets to them, that also can be arranged. You just email me your address, we'll arrange payment, and I could mail you your tickets too, okay? When I get the tickets them, all right? I couldn't go here, so. Hello?
Hello, Ragashanti.
Yeah, what go on?
What's up?
There, man, what you say?
Well, this is an island to island mix-up.
Yeah, tell me.
About when I used to live in Antigua. I'm not from Antigua, but I used to live there.
Yeah.
And what happened, I was a teacher at the time.
Yeah.
So I met this guy.
Mm-hmm. What happened? Oh, Lord. Send back your request. I'm looking for it. Send back your request. Cause this sound like you did like a pepper, It sound, a potential 5 pepper mix up. You see it? No. I will start rate the mix up them, you know. Like back in the day, remember we used to rate the mix up them, the top mix up them a 5 pepper mix up, you know. Send back a request. Send back a request here. Sure. Look at island to island mix up sound like it did I go saucy, you know.
Hello?
Yes. Gotcha.
Yes,
Yes.
Reggae.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is island to island drama.
Yeah.
What happened? I was teaching at the time,
Yeah.
and I was living in Antigua. I live in Antigua most of my life.
Right.
This is important because it has to do with the kind of dynamics of Antigua at the time.
Yeah.
So there was a lot of Jamaicans, a lot of Guyanese, a lot of Dominicans, a lot of Spanish.
Yeah.
All of us living there. It's something like New York kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like a melting pot of
A little melting pot of different.
Yeah, so I was living in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
A Guyanese was living to the left-hand side.
Mm-hmm.
And on the right-hand side, there was a Dominican lady.
Yeah.
So I go to work every day.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, okay, then I'm working. So I met this guy.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't take long before we hit it off, and I moved him into my house.
You move him into your house, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he was living with me. So I leave, I go to work every day, and I'm coming back, and I'm not gonna lie, the guy have a nice sort out.
Yeah, him sort out nice. Him sort out.
So I kind of like him, and he's good looking as well.
Yeah.
Yes, was a young girl coming up in life and not really used to too much sort out.
Oh, so when you did that get it good, then you appreciate it then?
Yes.
Okay.
So everything going good, we're getting along, things going nice.
Uh-huh.
So one day somebody come and tell me, if you know he dating the neighbor to the right-hand side, the Dominican girl. I said, what?
Right.
What gonna cause this now?
Yeah.
Also, so me like every night he leave and he go and play domino.
Yeah.
There's a thing in the village that I go and they play that little domino.
Yeah. Play them look at
So
domino.
me like, okay, you go play domino. When me catch myself, somebody tell me no domino. I'm over by the neighbor, he there every night. And me and the girl not even a fence separate us, you know.
Not even a what?
So not even a fence.
Not even a fence separate you and the Dominican girl, no.
No. So then me find I'm pregnant.
Wow.
So everything happened quickly. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do now? So I start to cuss the girl.
Yeah, cuss the
So
girl.
I start to tell her, yes. I start to tell her, oh, you this and just start to cuss her every day.
Hold on. And this time you and the girl, you and her, they talk good like good neighbors?
Yes.
And she knows him live a yard with you, don't?
Yes.
And she take him the whole time and knows him live a yard with you and that you're there with him, don't? The Dominican woman.
Yes.
Bombard star. Yeah. Go and talk, and then what happened?
And then what happened now? It so happened that we find out that he can't read. Because he a good builder and mechanic and all these things. He good with the handyman. But he can't read.
No, but I forgot to ask you something now. Hold on. You find out saying can't read after you breed?
Not after me breed, before.
What, before you breed?
Yeah, everything happened quick.
Everything happened quick.
Yes, me young and stupid and naive and all these things.
No, but when you find out he can't breed. He can't read. He can't read.
About couple months before after we there.
In presenting different viewpoints, you can be pro UPP or ALP. That is your
Hello?
Yeah, I want that. Yeah, take off that something there with the PP. Something I play.
I want to make it clear that night.
Yeah, all right then. Hello? Lord Jesus, don't tell me so she go cut off that something there, go cut off, right? No, man. Hello? Hello? No, oh, she mute. But no, take off the mute. Take off the mute. My sister, you're still there, but take off the mute. Take off the mute. Oh, God, she gone. She come back. She come back. She have to come back. She have to come back because, you know, we'd have to go to Antigua for her, you know. She have to come back, all right? Nah, I wish we could have just invite her back, but this thing, it gives you the options, and I don't know, yo. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, man.
Yes, so what was saying, I found that they couldn't read.
Yeah.
So what happened now? I'm pregnant.
Yes.
And I'm washing, and I have the baby. And the baby born in February.
Right.
And this happened in December, I found out about the girl.
About the girl.
So when I wash the baby clothes, putting on the line now,
yeah,
I throw him out, yeah? Because I was pissed off and everything about the whole situation, so I throw him out.
You fling him out?
I know he do.
Well, you fling him out when you did pregnant, you fling him out of the house?
Yes.
So that means 2 months before February, so when you're about 7 months pregnant, you fling him out of the house?
Yes.
Okay, and then what happened?
He moved going with the neighbor.
Jesus. When you fling him out, him go move in with the Dominican woman next door.
Yes.
Lord Jesus.
So no, he moved going over there. And when me wash the baby clothes, you know what she do?
What?
To run, go wash for him clothes. I hang on the line. So me wash the baby clothes, put on the line, and I hang the man clothes on the line at the same time.
Jesus God, you know, say I'm a wicked woman that. A bantan, she a bantan, you know. A bantan, she a bantan, you know, so you can put up baby clothes. You put up a baby clothes, but she have the man. That's why she put up a man clothes. What a wicked. And then what time?
So what happened now? So me fly go inside for the book.
For the what?
I said, look the book that I'm teaching for reading. I am a boy. And the only word is going to come
What are they? No, you're not easy. So when you say when you come out with in clothes and put out in clothes, you run for the book and thing. I'm in a book and say, yeah, go and talk and I put him, see the book here when I teach him for read and me tell him for say, I am a boy. I got that bad. No, that bad. Oh, God. No, that one the bad like 10 fireside. Where you say you go? Where you go grab up the book and do? Where you say you go with the book and do?
Run for the book inside. Yeah. She have got the clothes there, so we run inside for the book and me teaching for read. Yeah. Look, I am a boy and the only word I know is box. Me Xbox.
No, that bad. No, that one the tough. That one the connect. And then what happened after that with you, Imanar?
So what happened now? They moved from the house and go a little further up in the community.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me and she there and we argue all the while and not get along and, you know. So he moved and carry her up, further up in the community where we were staying.
Yeah.
So then the neighbor on the left hand side, the other side now.
Mm-hmm. Where did she go? What happened? The name, cause something they didn't know with the name up on the other side, you know. You know, people at work, me at work. I see me can track her down again. I for go in at this thing, Oh. Why TikTok do it so? Like, I'm not seeing her now in it. No, man, send back a request here. Yeah, you can only invite who TikTok or show, you know, like, I mean, it's a lot, but send back your requests, send back your requests. Jano. Yo, good say yo. When Miss Lady come out and hype and hang up him clothes and thing, you know. Good say she just run go in for the Phoenix book. No, Phoenix. A Phoenix we used to call it in Jamaica, no. Phoenix. And say, yeah, go on, so for me teach that for read. And me teach him for say the book, yeah. Say the book, yeah. And me teach him for say I am a boy. And the only word him know is box, right? That's the only word him can spell. Listen to me, man. Oh, God. Yes, Tracy.
Yeah, so I hope I don't cut off again, yeah?
Yeah, I hope you don't. We'll wait.
So okay, the neighbor on the other side now rent them the house up the road.
Oh, okay.
So I was like one neighbor to neighbor thing. So I'm vexed with the neighbor there, I'm vexed with the neighbor on the other side.
Right.
Because they said them shouldn't rent them the house and the city.
Tracy gone again. I don't know. I think it might be her Wi-Fi or so, you know. It might be our Wi-Fi, you know. Yeah, people may not have control over that and it kind of. Tracy?
Hello?
Yeah.
I hope I don't drop again.
Right. You're there near to your router?
Yeah, I'm kind of close. That's why I'm trying to figure out what the problem is.
Yeah. All right. And then now you have if anything, I can give one WhatsApp number where you could have called, you know.
Okay then.
But just write it down in case, here. Sometimes
Okay,
that you don't ever go through. That no ever go through.
Yeah, give me the number.
929
929
400
400
1249.
1249. Okay.
If anything, you see if you can come. But go and talk now and just stay near to your router, yeah?
Yeah, so the neighbor now moving into my house when have her rent up in the community.
Mm-hmm.
So then live up there for about 2 months now. And me not see them, me not hear none from them. Next thing he come and tell me how the girl 6 months pregnant.
The Dominican girl 6 months pregnant?
Yes.
Well, when you have the baby?
Me have the baby in February.
The February?
Me try him out in December.
Right.
And she's 6 months pregnant. So I'm like, a jacket that.
No, so when she said, which month him tell us that she said she's 6 months pregnant?
Both in the February, March, but the April.
Okay, of which year?
This is a long time.
Long time, yeah. Okay, but the April. Okay, good.
That's when me live. I'm living in Antigua. I'm not living in Antigua anymore.
Right. So okay, good.
So he moved her. He moved her to the house up the road.
Mm-hmm.
And me vexed with both neighbors from either side.
Right.
And he come and tell me how the girl pregnant, 6 months pregnant. So I say, a jacket she on, cause how she got 6 months pregnant already. So me don't know if my maths me wrong, but too many maths was a maths in.
Well, remember, you know, when him say him did I go down in him, did I go over our yard, you know?
That's the same thing.
Yeah, so it's possible.
So maybe you go over she yard long time.
Yeah, I go over there long time because a long time him clearly say him go play domino and them tell us say, you know, say I walk go on when him tell about him play domino over me. Him gone over Yita Guillermo Menendez yard over the Dominican girl yard, you know.
So anyway now, the neighbor that moved him in come and tell me that they not pay the rent.
Oh.
So me say, oh Lord, mercy. And he started nice me back up now. Cause he not pay the rent up there. Me like a fool now take it back in.
Well, are your baby father?
Yeah, me take him again.
Yeah.
And she up there. So she not pay the rent. So eventually she have to move out. So she move out and go live back at town with her sister.
Yeah.
And me and him there in the community live together.
Yeah.
With the baby.
I sort out again. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway now, before all of that now, before I tell you an interesting part.
Yeah.
Before I don't know, the sister come by me one night and see his shoes by me. I don't know that he sex me.
I don't know what?
Now me and him still have dealings. Before he moved back in, that is.
Before he moved back in.
So she started cussing me and telling me, oh, he said that you're something small. And he said
No, hold on. When him did live up the road with the woman and thing, film shoes it still down at your yard?
Not for the full time, after a while.
After a while. So what you say? So while him did up there now, with sister, with a sister?
With the Dominican girl.
The Dominican girl's
sister come by me.
Come by you and come see film shoes there?
Yes.
And things say you and him did a squeeze a little piece on the side one time, no? Which you both were, right?
Yes.
Listen to me. No, Tracy, me like you. So after him did move gone up the road and whatever, him did a quietly I come down by you and you squeeze him a little piece and thing, just to go and take care of plumbing and all them thing they know. Yeah. So after that, the kick off, what happened after that, after the sister go tell him that? Go see that.
After that, he still not pay the rent and he moved back in by me.
Yeah.
So then, what happened now? His mother, which live in a different community, used to babysit my baby. So I used to have to go by her every afternoon to collect my child, to bring home my child to my community where I live.
Yeah.
So this day now, I go down there, and when I go down there, the Dominican girl down there too.
Yeah.
So I'm like, what she do down here? I start make up nice. Like, what she do down here? So I realize that the baby hungry. So I start to cuss and I want to tell her, oh yeah, you.
Oh, God, Tracy gone again. You know, me should have make Tracy text me fear when she should realize the baby hungry, which one I baby hungry, they must the Dominican baby hungry though. So she must have come down and the boy mother know I look food for it. Lord Jesus. What a piece of precke. Eh? What a piece of precke. Boy, Tracy internet always a drop, you know. Always a drop, man. I want to hear the rest of the thing, you know. Well, I know who don't want to hear it. Hello?
What go Raga?
There, I know, yeah, say.
Why me I look here for what you get this stuff out. This can.
Yeah, me could hear it now.
You know you remember.
Eh?
You know you remember me. You are going on Raga.
Eh.
We had to do some work, you see.
Yeah, move up and down and things, so your voice I got in and out, yeah. So just
Right. Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Me had to do some work. So me build one lady call me, so we build a friend, see?
And lady call it, your voice I go in and out.
Two the phone.
A 2 hour?
But they're close to the phone.
Me no know. Me I learn all to them. Me learn. Me hear people go on earpiece and then me I hear them better, you know. So, but you depend. Me no know. Your voice I go in and out. Just speak directly to the phone and thing. I guess. Me no know.
Much like so. I hear me better now.
No, but I hear you good, you know. Your voice just go in and out, you know.
I'm gonna make it fast. You are going to know. So the lady comes if you build a fence here, see?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna build my charger. And the lady say, all right. So me go take her off for the money. So I say, somebody recommend her to me still. So I say, let me just work it out. I'll mash it up fast and collect the money and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? 3,500 me charge the lady.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, so me build the fence and after me done build the fence, the woman come around and niggling there, find the excuse and everything there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, never know so the woman have a plan to want to pay me around.
Look at generalship, yeah.
So you know, done build the fence and I say, yo, fence done, so the lady tell me, boy, this one do good and that do good and everything there. So what you know, you can't cut it down, you know, because if you go chubby, you get charged for them, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
And you can't work at 3,500. You have to have about 2 or 10 grand or something over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So anyway, I lied up on bed and I think I say, how am I get my money?
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Yeah.
And you say, boy, now pay me and and everything. I'm sorry. I mean, you don't hurt me already. I don't want to get myself in a trouble. In Jamaica, I do that. A trouble.
Problem, yeah.
Yeah, man. So it's easy. I say, Raga, I'm sitting down, man. I lie down and I say, yo, home, I can't get my money, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yo. Raga.
Yeah.
The Google, which about everything covered phone, white phone.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know what is that. I just say, yo, you know, they go try a thing.
Yeah.
So if I Google with them sell white phone, I go buy 2 white phone, Raga.
Yeah.
Yo, listen, I'm working business and I don't cap me a captain. Let's see that.
Yeah.
I go buy 2 white phone.
Yeah.
I go African place. When you got African place, they sell some kango, you make money, kango for this and everything.
Yes, man. And the Spanish place, too. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right. I buy 4 kango, man.
Yes.
I'm going to go some more. Me I tell about last week, you know.
What? It's fresh. Yeah.
Listen me now, man. The woman give me 3-5, you know, remember, you know.
Yeah.
And he texts me, call back in phone and Ray and make me never completed job and you're foolishness.
Uh-huh.
So I buy 2 phone, Raga.
Uh-huh.
And I get to one back, you know. Yo. Yo, me pissing at the back here, Raga, see it?
Yeah, you're pissing at the buckle. Mm-hmm.
The 2 days, man. Make the buckle soak, you know. Yeah, man, make it stay there 2 days, man.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to go over there, man, last week, Sunday, man. I'm going to buy an African, you know, the African dress, the African in way, like a gold, like a frat.
Yeah, well,
yeah, man,
the man them wear them too, yeah. But I don't dress.
One of them, man.
They don't call it dress, though. You're just so you know. Yeah.
I dress me, I don't know, but
yeah.
buy one of the
yeah.
I'm going to go over there early, 6 o'clock in the morning, you know. Monday morning, going left, got work, you know. How are you, man?
Uh-huh.
How are you, man? I go over there, man. I right out and get the fader.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Light the candle, man, and cut off you, no machine, and cut off the forehead, man, and start walking around the yard and start. I don't know me I did a Raga. Come here, say, yo, I scare me, I make it safe in pay money, you know. Yeah, man, I'm start sprinkles piss right on the yard, man, in front, man, and cut off the forehead, man, and people start come out the whole camera and Ray and them thing, and what me I go on in a Raga.
And then what?
How are you, man? He come up, me see him come up on the porch and look. And I start chatting up tongue. Yo, me say something. Lama. Nah, you are going to know. You are going to know, Raga. What you know, the Raga? Yo, me say, yo, if you have 3,000 or spill me at Papa, you can remember say we're not perfect, you know.
Yeah.
You can go and get a flat tire, and sometimes you go wonder, oh, what this? What if a crash is the boy? Raga, listen to me, no man.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
A Tuesday night, 9:30. The money comes straight in my Zelle.
In your Zelle, you get your money, don't?
He send me money, send the 3,500 in my Zelle, he send he can't give me. Cause remember, say me no know nothing, Raga. Cause me say, yo, me can't go cut down the fence, they will charge me for destruction of property.
Well,
and
yes.
Me can't charge him, but you know, sue him.
Yes. Yeah, you can't destroy the property.
Raga,
Yeah.
Well, me not. She texts me and asks me if I what kind of food we are. I say, don't worry yourself, man. Anytime you pay like when you pay the money now, I tell you, I say you pay the money now, that is it. Me have to come around there and sprinkle some more thing and make it gone, make it leave and everything. Yeah.
You have to kind of clean it up, you know, so it not take and connect, you know.
Raga, me no know about me. I swear to God, no, me no know no voodoo or them thing. Me just say you must cut off to come and fall and sprinkle this thing and light the candle and just this and start walking on the house and make pay nice.
Yeah, man. That's so you have to creative to get them out of the house, man. You know, a few years ago, a woman in New York, you have people who come in your house and just stop pay rent, you know. It's a game them play and you can't get them out, and it take you like an average of 2, 3, 4 years to even if you're successfully get them out and thing and whatever. It's a game them play.
It's a mind game.
One man and a woman, you know, she try to get them out, then couldn't come out. You know what she do, man? She get some blackboard, like some raven, man. And she warned them first, you know, like should I say, Thursday are your day, you know, your destruction start Thursday. And they say, you can't do that, get off the property, I'll call the police with them know them can do and whatever. And like she said, Thursday, so she set her up for, you know, I make up the day, but I forgot when she said, you know. And when they come home, man, I don't know how she get the bird in at them house, but she get 2 blackbird in there. And then some little mark up something with some candle and some things and whatever. Yo, they move out the next day, man.
I bet she not do. She just put up something and get
No,
something.
she just put up something and thing because when she keep on and ask them for come on, a beer bad up she get them. Nah, come out of this and re. But it just goes to show that some of the time when people resort to violence, a famous mix-up will come in, you know. A woman, you know, a clown her man, you know, and bring in one, both her cousin come visit, you know. And bring in one Ras, you know, one Rasta man in at the house, you know. And see our cousin, you know, and the cousin in her room, and them every day the man go to work, the cousin a jump up in her belly, you know, man. Have her in all kind of style, you know, and thing and whatever. And then end up start bad up him, man, after the man find out, say, I know her cousin, you know, and she saying, nah, I left you in my Tanya. And the Ras in the man and thing, and the man say he never know what to do, because he say he couldn't manage the Ras and thing and whatever and thing. So, you don't know what him go do, but a good Ras, you know.
Yeah.
So you don't know what the man go do. The man just go buy one hog, man, and bring in a hog and say, this is my pet hog, and the hog live in here with we. Yeah, man, the Ras say, yo, born a pig, born a pork, Rasta can't live. Yeah, they don't know the whole community. I said, hey, Ras, then you and the pig are going to live in the house. And I know I said the Ras left quick. But the point I'm making is it's creativity. You know, sometimes we feel, you know. Yeah, creativity to achieve a desired end, you know.
Yo, listen, man. Yo, Raga, me come here say, yo, if I Jamaica, me mash up, yo, I want to have money, man.
You see.
Yo, Raga, I'm say, you know what, me go to, yo, listen, man. All you have to do, man, go buy 2 common food. Can you go tell Father God, say, Father God, please make them pay me and everything and left it to God. Come on, fool, man. I'm sit there, man. I'm a candle, man. How are you, man? How are you, Raga, man? Hey, you see when I buy Raga, the thing where you see what we call dress?
Yeah.
All the blood me flash up all over my head, you know, man. All round, you know, man. Me have only 2 full foot, you know. Cut off the head in my shit, you know. And only 2 full foot and it flash and you know, so the fall, like when it cut off the head now, I be a blood from my body, man. How
Yeah.
the Raga,
You
man?
get
I'm
man,
going to get the $3,000, man.
send on your money quick.
3,005 is sending that is hell.
All right. All
How are
right,
the man?
creativity. Big up yourself here, sir.
All right, Raga. No say
Yeah,
a
man.
word.
Respect, man. Cool. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, well, go on.
Hi, Roger. Good night.
Good night.
We have a mix up with you now.
Yeah, my hear it now.
All right. One time you used to talk to this guy, and I find out say him have a woman.
Mm-hmm.
So me tell him say it now go work.
Mm-hmm.
But then now the two are remain friend.
Right.
I did my good friend.
Right.
So anyway, him know say me can cook.
Mm-hmm.
So one time him call me and say, "Want P? You want to see me I cook some stew peas, you know?" And me not sure if it a cook good. You can come over, come show me. I say,
Mm-hmm.
all right then. I say about half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And him say, all right. So I got the house now. And I say, all right, you put pimento seed in there. And he said, no. So I say, put in some pimento seed
Mm-hmm.
and put in some seasoning in it. It tastes all right if you want to look at seasoning.
Right.
And my daddy cook the rice for him and everything. So, I said to him, say, all right, I say, no, I just saw him woman live with him, but she should at work.
Right.
So, when they done help him cook and everything, I say, all right, then, I forgot work 3 o'clock. When we reach out at the gate, and the woman, say, I come in, leave work early.
Mm-hmm.
So, him they come out behind me and stand up at the door and say, all right, please. So she start cooking and say, you see, I don't kind of disrespect and I can't take. You have the bitch a come at my house and you know so me and you live your bitch a come here and you disrespect. So me just say that I walk because I know some wrong self. So go there.
Mm-hmm.
So then I turn back to her and I say you out there. Imagine me just don't cook your stew peas and you bitch me up. You can't. Me say you can't at least a miss bitch.
No. Yes. Show some respect, because you're going to eat the food that we just cook for you,
Exactly. Mr. Raga, yes, when she go in at the house and by the time me feel like the gate and go away,
Yeah.
And the stew peas, me say, I come on for me,
Jeez. Yeah. Yo, no man, you step on our car, man.
Mr. Me run, sit me and run past me car.
No, you just run back and you have to throw the hot stew piece by you, no. No, man, you at up our head right this, man. You lick our chip this, man. You lick our chip this, man. Mash up our meds.
I kind of feel away still as a woman, still. You understand me?
Yeah.
I never really want you to come catch me.
Yeah, no, but him know the thing set with you and him and whatever. Why make you come the far thing
exactly,
and go put
true.
No,
I kind of blame myself for going
no,
him
in danger. Well, first of all, no disrespect to you, but him shouldn't have somebody who him did involve and thing, basically a cookie food or him go give him woman who him live a yard with that a one. And two, him shouldn't even bring you this up because him have to think for your safety too, Why if she they just roll up on you and then go so with all some acid or some sitting there ice pick or whatever. Right, yeah, so him should have said, no, that is not a good idea, because But you think say him did probably want more than you for do the stew peas. You think say that him did I try to screech it?
Probably if me was the kind of person where make it go further, it will make it go further. You understand me?
Yeah.
But me just never the one go there, so you see
it. For real, man. All right, now say a word.
Right.
Love that one there. Yeah, bless up yourself, man.
Right.
Cool.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, good say the stew peas. Tracy. You have a love, Tracy.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to try to finish up.
Yeah.
So what happened now? She with the baby, I miss the baby hungry. So me now get no idea. So me follow her on the bus. Come here, she can see him bus go back to town.
Yeah.
Because the grandmother don't live in the town. She lives a bit out.
Yeah.
It's in the countryside.
Yeah.
So the town can see him bus go in the town. She have her baby.
Yeah, tell her what you do quick. Tell her what you do quick. I don't know why you get cut off again.
You know me do? Me follow behind her with the bus terminus. You know the bus terminus?
Yeah.
Me follow behind her and me like pull out some money out of my pocket. I'm like, money, you look like you're hungry, fucking seven swear. I'm like, carry on, you know. The worst way.
Yeah.
In the bus place. Everybody in the bus them and look and laugh after answer. The girl turn on the clock, no one box.
What? She wheel and shot your box now. Yo! So when you get the box, what me know?
Me run the other direction, come shame, can't balance the laugh after me.
Hold on. So when you get the box, you run. Hold on. Oh, you never know, so should have wheel and shot you the box now.
No, I never expect it.
So when the box...
I'm right behind her with the money in her face.
So what your baby did that time? Lord God, Tracy get cut off again. No, Tracy, what you do with that, man? No, Tracy, what you do with that? Tracy get cut off again. We can't manage, you know. No, sir. Tracy, you know, when you get one good sort out from somebody and somebody a tease you and I go on and the teasing and work and thing, but then they might overdo the teasing. That ever happened to you? Yeah. When they might tease you and thing or whatever and then they gone too far with it, you know, teasing only makes sense, you know, if it get, you know, climatic after, you know, to have some sort of resolution and thing or whatever. Eh? You can't imagine somebody just a play with it in front, you know, playing and now go in and living room and play it. And now go in and you start all a while and push it up and whenever already and thing. And then them just get up and go and down. And them just keep on come back and play it and now go in and it would drive you crazy, wouldn't it? Yeah. And that Tracy I do it right, you know. And beer teasing I reach it right, you know, man, and the thing now balance out. And not, you know, every time Tracy come back, Tracy I give you a look at hot part again, make me say, what? See there, all box at you and all these things. Tracy a sample. Anyway. Yeah, man. It's a Tracy that they style up the Dominican girl, the Bona girl, and the Bona girl just walk up one in a Tracy Jacan and thing. Tracy, when Tracy get the back, Tracy splurt. Tracy said she run. One thing with Tracy I keep it reeling and I tell her exactly how the thing go. You know. Tracy, when she get the box, Tracy said she shame and run. Yeah. Nah, man, you see, Tracy send me a number and thing like inbox me a number. I could have called her up on the WhatsApp. Let me send back Tracy. Tracy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you get the box now, when you run. Eh? No. Tracy. So when you get the box, you grab up your picnic too?
I run out.
No, what did happen to your baby? What happened to your daughter?
She have her baby in her hand and me have my baby in my hand.
So when you get the box, you run with your daughter, don't?
We run with my daughter. Me shame kind of body in the bus them and then me like bus them with us.
So where you run go now?
Me run going the other direction towards my bus.
Oh.
Come if I catch the next bus to go home.
Yeah. So
yes, sir.
So Tracy, the box did out door. Eh?
And you know what he do? He move out from me after that and go live with a Jamaican woman.
And go live with one different woman.
You're a different woman.
Oh.
And then he go with the woman and then he now work and he left come to England.
Oh. But you there England now?
Yeah, me there England now, yeah.
Okay. So you go up there with him. So you did link with him when you did come up to England?
No, me not link with him again after that. I just not like him again after that.
Okay, that's never like him again after that and thing and what them. So then tell me something, after you get the box and thing, you never bother the Dominican woman again after that?
No, me not bother she again after that. No, me and she come good friend after that, you know, because she sent her son to England to him.
She sent her son
And she tell she get
to him. She sent her
son
son
that
to
she
him.
have.
Yeah.
She sent him to England to the father.
So you are not on good friend?
Because me there to help her to start out the son. To first send him there England to the father.
Because you did what?
Me there help her to start out the son.
So you end up a help her to start out the son, which is your daughter's brother, for go England to the father.
Yes.
And I saw you and her turn big friend.
Yeah, not friend, but yeah.
Oh yeah, but after you did get the box again, you know, but I cuss her after that and thing because I boxed, no?
No, me not cuss her again after that. Respect her after that.
You respect? Tracy, what you say? You didn't respect after the box, you respect her, no? Eh? After the box, you didn't respect her, no? Well, Tracy, the boxing humble you, know? The box make you get humble and stop cuss, no? No.
Very much so, very much so.
That is hilarious. Tracy, we love you. You're the best, man. All right, big up yourself here.
All right, then, take care then. All
Yeah,
right,
man.
then.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Yeah. Boy, we struggling with the mix-up, you know, man, but at least we get the fullness right, no? At least we get the fullness right. Tracy say, Tracy no easy, you know, Tracy just keep it 100. Tracy say, no, I never really want her after that, you know. Tracy say, after that, you know, I respect her after that, man. Yeah, man, she with me. Me and Tracy, you're still there. Okay, all right, bless up yourself here. Cool. Yeah, man, Tracy a sample, man. Tracy said, no, after that we're good, man. And whatever, man. Never too bad her after that, you know. Respect, Joe. And the box is so keen. All right, people. I'll go here now, you know, in 9 hours, all right? Boy, balance up on the thing. Everything is everything, all right? No, the box is seal up and Tracy. All right, listen to me. No, it's a good point to make down because box was the only thing the boy could have spelled down. Right? I mean, him knew how to say a sentence. I am a boy. That bad. You know, when Tracy bust that one day, and when Tracy said, I just run for the book and tell her, I say, I teach him to spell and read, and me teach him to say, I am a boy. Yo, that took me out, man. Yo, that mashed up my meds, man. Now, this came up yesterday in about, hold on, how would that? A correct time that? I'm a generalist, you know, so even though I leave, I hear what I'm saying, you know.
Yo, brother.
Yeah, what I go?
But I'm investing in that Tracy. I'm going to be bed here, sir.
Craigton, what time is it there now in London?
It's after 3, bro.
Yeah, after 3. Yeah, I hear they are listening.
Tracy have me away, brother.
Tracy have you going down. Tracy make you can't sleep.
Man.
Yeah, what you say?
Not much in a Reggae. I think I go on. I think I shot my big up all TamFam, you know.
Long time. No. See?
When I bed me, you know. So I touch my touch and look in, brother.
All right. Now say a word, my brother, man.
Tomorrow,
and things. See? Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool. Yeah, man.
CBS big ups. I should have the biggest collection of toys, you know.
Oh, CBS? I want you to leave my friend, you know. Leave my friend. Okay. Leave my friend.
I'm a friend, man. I'm a friend, man.
Allow my girl. CBS. Big up yourself, you know. All right. All right, Craigton. I say a word, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, man.
That's it. All right, cool.
The man there in London, anytime, any event me have, you know, the man they fly over, you know.
Yo, Raga.
Yo.
Where you going with?
You know, see where me I going with?
Yo, let me tell you something, bro. So, me used to listen to you back from Jamaica, probably one time. They here in America right now. My wife to your program or whatever. So let me tell you something, bro.
Yeah.
I'm a daddy. I always listen to you. I love your program, brother.
Cool, no, man. Respect, man. I say a word, man.
Yeah, man. For real, bro.
And I don't know if you're here, but your
Definitely,
dog just said the
I
same.
always listen to
Your dog just said the same thing too, you know.
Bro, me dey on the back part, yo, me dey on the back part, yo, right now, no. Yeah, my dog them and whatever, my dog are back.
You want to say that, but say it one different way.
Rather, we can't keep up with you.
Nah, man, the way you just say a while ago, say it one different way, dog. And you say you're there on the back for me, right? You know, your dog there on the back for me. Dress up that talk, them, man.
They're on the back party, yo, my dog are back. Come if you say it differently,
nah, man, I say the dog, me and the dog at the back, I know dog language, you know, and the dog say, Raga, big up yourself, because we rate you over here too. I like dog them rate you and thing like that. Me I hear your dog say, your dog just said that. Your dog just said that. Yo, Raga, big up yourself, me there, I listen you to, you know. Yeah, I think whatever, you know. Then you know, say, after you say, Raga, me there on your back, right, you know, the dog, you know, your dog say, yo, her, dress up that.
No, me say me there on the back party, yo. Me never say me there on the back.
What you say?
No, never. Don't do that.
You're there on the back.
Me say me there on the back party, yo, Raga.
You're there on the back for me. You know, I say keep our free all the while and thing, you know. That's our word, man. But big up yourself, you know.
Raga.
And big up.
I'm from Jamaica, me I listen to you, no, Raga.
Cool, man. That's our word,
yeah,
man.
Yeah, man, you're my brother, man.
You see, respect and blessings, man, and just honor.
Hey, let me tell you something. Me know you come off. Let me tell you something. You know, the last time I listened to you, me call you, and me tell you about people always collect money in a Jesus name.
Yeah.
And you say, yo, and you laugh and whatever. But at the time when you up a Yui, and the people then put you in at the back of the car and whatever.
Yeah, when them kidnap me, yeah.
Yeah, man, me I listen to you. Raga, let me tell you something, bro. Me I listen to you. Me and you share. Remember you tell me with your mama used to bring you at airport and watch the plane them and whatever. That's something I listen to you from the Raga.
Yeah, man, that was outing for we. For go Norman Manley Airport, because them time them did have the waving gallery. So my mother would cook, brown stew, chicken, all kind of thing, and we take the bus, go to airport, and we go up at the waving gallery, and we spend the whole day there, wave to people who are going. And that was a big trip for we back in our days, me and my sister.
At the time, they're all about me, I work truck and whatever, and at the time, every day, everybody always, oh, you always listen Raga from the time, all the time. Bro.
Yeah, give thanks.
Me I listen to a program Raga.
Yeah, man, that's a word, man. And big up your wife for me, yeah, man, and big up your wife for me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, then manners and blessings.
Yes, sir.
And what your dog name?
Manners, Raga.
What the dog name?
Is a pit bull. She have a white diamond in her, so we call her Diamond.
Diamond, and big up Diamond for me. Tell her some hear what she did I say. I'm just humble and I'm humbled and I respect what she say and thing, alright? Tell Diamond.
How London me a hail from no brother.
Alright, my general.
Just buy a house along the 4-bedroom, me have a whole heap of land space and whatever and buy my dog and whatever. So Orlando, me there listen to you, bro. I love and respect, Raga.
Yeah, man. Love the step up, you know. All right, big up yourself. Here, sir.
Yes, sir. Love and respect.
Man. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Bless it. All right, brother.
Yeah. I can't stay there and go like you know what I mean, go to my bed or go do some work. You know. And people do remember, say, this Sunday, I host the Father's Day concert down Atlanta there, you know? All right. So, Atlanta people, this Sunday, me down on a place. Hello, Carla, wagwan.
Hey, Wagwan.
There, you know, yes, boo.
Raga, you know me, I listen to the man, me, I wonder if he's intoxicated, not, me just a say.
What the man we
But him
talk?
so not weird though.
No, you know, I say him not intoxicated. Him good, man. Right? I saw some man talk, you know. Him good, man.
Okay.
All right? Him no intoxicated.
Bless up Diamond.
Yeah, no, we have to big up Diamond. We have to big up Diamond, oh, you mean? They know your Diamond a sound out and thing. Me know enough to understand what Diamond is saying about. Diamond is a Raga, we rate you. Yeah, we not stop listening to you and thing, you see it?
Yeah, for real.
All right, now say
I wonder if he wants somebody to come help him live in that big 4-bedroom there.
You see, well, I mean, you know, the man say, man, my wife.
So when you can share, Raga?
That's right. You can get she have fear room and you have your room, don't
I'm in my room.
Yeah, and Diamond and fear room. Yeah. Everybody have their room and good, no. Not a problem. Yeah, I make it work, no. One pop. All right, man.
It can't work, man.
Yeah. All right, my G, you hear Fluffy Davis say, you know, we can balance out that thing, you know. We live in a 4-bedroom house there in Orlando and thing. You have your room, your wife have your room, Fluffy have your room, and Diamond have your room. One happy family. Everybody,
one happy family.
Yeah, everybody room out and proper, don't you see?
Yeah, right, that's all.
Mad, yeah, man. It goes some. Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool. All right, so people, when I said this Sunday, June 15, it's all about the One Love Father's Day concert. The One Love Father's Day concert. Of course, Maxi Priest, Inner Circle, Itana, Luciana. The biggest thing in Atlanta for Father's Day this Sunday. Right? I don't know, it's an early thing in the evening. And it's at the Mabel House Amphitheater. The Mabel House Amphitheater. The Mabel House Amphitheater, which is located at Floyd Road in Mableton, Georgia. Floyd Road in Mableton, Georgia. You know, all of them here there and thing, you know, everything just consider Atlanta, you know. So, you know, so now just come on. Right? Bring on a father. In fact, on a father would appreciate something like this, you know. And then promoter, you know what them are doing thing and whatever. Them are do this regularly and thing. So, and you don't know, Maxi Priest, right? Inner Circle, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? And a bag of that big tune, them have Itana. And me no need to tell them about Luciano and a whole bunch of other artists and thing, you know. Big show this Sunday, right, at the Mabel House Amphitheater in Mableton, Georgia, which is Atlanta proper, okay? All right, so I'll see you guys there. And remember, on a late night, something this, you know, so we just look for sooner. And then remember my birthday party too, all right? Ragabash, September 20th. Amazura, Queens, New York. Ragabash, September 20th. Amazura, Queens, New York. So I want to come out, come support my party. Tickets are available at eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. You just put in Ragabash. If the mask of the city, you put in New York. And you put in Ragabash, Ragabash. And you can buy your tickets online. Hard copy tickets will be available in a week or so. And I will let you guys know about that. Okay? But see you tomorrow. All right? Blessings and things. But you see it. Never bring up a thing for me, you know. 790. All right, and again, before me leave, if you're not follow me, follow me now. See, the Sham says she will be there. Sham ever support and always there. The Ragabash them looking all fine and thing with her strong, sexy body self and thing. All right, people, in our morals, see, bless up on yourself, man. Respect, man. And big up Tracy, you know. Tracy take a show, you know. Even though we have a struggle with Tracy, you know, I tell you, but that Tracy take a show, man. Bless up for yourself, man. Cool, respect, all right? Man.